Let me go ahead and get the TikTok rolling. That's much easier. I just have to hit a button on that one. Good morning, everybody. On the phone with Uncle Mike.
Good morning, everyone.
I don't know if anyone's there. Let's see. Going live. Okay, we're going live on TikTok. Oh, my little things are plugged in. There we go. Neon signs. Now we have to go back over to here. We have to go into your channel. We have to go back over to here. We have to go to YouTube Studio. And then, you know what I mean? Good morning, everybody. Are you on live, Mike, on TikTok or YouTube? Which one are you on?
I'm on YouTube, and I'm waiting for it. I don't see how to refresh it.
Oh, okay. So I didn't miss it yet. I was wondering if I missed it.
Yes,
Okay, should come up now.
Okay.
Live trading.
There it is. Yep. Watch it.
Today is 10. Oh, happy Halloween, everybody. Shit, it's Halloween, Mike.
Yeah, happy Halloween. That's right. We're going to go trick or treating.
We'll make some trick or treat money. Halloween. Is that how you spell it? Fuck.
How do you spell it?
I don't know. I didn't spell it right. Halloweens. What? H-O-L-O. Okay, I have no idea. I think that's right. All my life. Live trading. Cryptos. And Forex. And stocks. Oh, what are you doing, Mike?
I'm hitting the little celebration thing.
Not financial advisors or financial anything. Good morning, everybody. Happy Halloween. Looks like a 1-minute buy stop at US 30, by the way. I'm not paying attention, but take that with a grain of salt. I have no idea if that's true. All right, me and Uncle Mike just been going over a few things about the 1 hour, 4 hours. I'm sure a few of you are just like he is, so we're going to go over a few of those explanations. This is what I should call this the perfect learning day. Safety trade, sniper system. Da, da, da. Nothing can keep me down. All my life. I'm going to change this up here. Do I have enough room? No, I do not. Cryptos, Forex. We don't give a shit. I'm going to help everybody. We do have perfect training day. This is going to teach a lot of people a lot of things because they're so used to instantaneous gratification. Does that sound familiar to anybody? Everybody wants to win immediately. Halloween. I did spell it right, I think. Yeah, I did. Why were they spell checking me? All right. Skip ads. Get the fuck out of here. All right. 20 watching. 7 thumbs up. Oh, Mike, they didn't have 50 people come over on TikTok yesterday, and I cut the stream on YouTube. I think everybody learned their lesson. I hope they did. That's crazy. Screw that shit. All my life. Gonna keep me down. They're trying to keep me. All my life. Why is that close up like that? I don't have that like that. Let me scoot that over a little bit. All right, I'm going to try to get this set a little bit better. All my life. Good morning, everybody. Happy Halloween. We're on the phone with Dr. Uncle Mike Grego, the greatest uncle/doctor in the history of the world. I tell everybody that you've forgotten more than 90% of doctors have ever learned. I'm probably pretty sure on that.
Well, the more you know, the more there is to know.
Amen. You're gonna take me all my life. Good morning, Sergio, number 1. Good morning, Duke Regan. Good morning, The Griffey. Good morning, Richard Zanatine on TikTok. Good morning, everybody. All my life. YouTube. Let's see. Good morning, LT number 1 in Philly and E88851. Good morning, Lisa Shea. Good morning, Jason Roby. Good morning, Christopher Duckworth. Doesn't that sound like a rich name, bro? Remember?
Yes.
William Jones. Good morning, Dr. Grego. Good morning, Ron. Good morning, Muna Omar. Good morning, Tom Williams. All right, all right. Good morning, Alfred Coopers. That's all we got here this morning? Wow. How many people watching? 28. Okay. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Michael Mahoyhan. It's kind of a cool name, isn't it? Good morning, Michael Mahoyhan. All right, guys. Let's all have some fun. All right, Mike. We were talking about options, natives, why things did or didn't do what they're supposed to do. Oh, let me pull the phone over by you so you can hear you. They can hear you better. Sorry. There. Now they should be able to hear you.
Okay.
All my life. There we go. Come on, let me turn up your volume. Make sure you're full blasting, although you're loud. There we go. Okay, Mike, you should be loud and clear. Okay. Now, where were we? So we were going over a few things on your screen, and I was pointing out a whole bunch of different observations. Now, the first rule that we have is that we trade. Good morning, everybody, by the way. Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Alfred. All right. Good morning, whoever. All right. So our first rule is, let me move this over here. I got to open up some sell stops. Gosh, I don't have any news this morning. Is this? We trade only our logo. Red arrow down, green arrow up. Everybody understands that? Yes or no? Mike, you remember that?
Yes, absolutely.
So we only trade it. And for all beginners out there, you should draw it out. Hell, you should draw it out anyways whenever the trade's occurring and see if it's that way or not. So does everybody understand that? And I know it's too early in the morning for quizzes, but you guys have to answer. So yeses or nos? Good morning, Mike Moy. Good morning, Joanne Soaz. Tom Williams is, oh, yes. Okay. Yes. Anyone on TikTok catch that you have to only trade our logo? What's up, Kev? Thank you for answering, Dr. Mike. Thank you for answering Tom and Jason and Alfred and Christopher. CP Sleepy Doc. CP Sleepy Doc. Cool. Thank you. I can actually go forward. I needed one person on TikTok to go. All right. So how do we find it? We have rules, blah, blah, blah. This starts up. This starts down, blah, 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 blah. Then we also always read our rules every morning, don't we, Dr. Mike?
Absolutely.
So we go over and we go to our specific rules trading. Rule number 1. If you don't see a clear safety trade on one time frame, then look to the next higher time frame and so on until you find one. Keep checking the 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame to see if they form while waiting for the higher time frames to develop. The order in which safety trades form are 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, and so on. You may open more than one safety trade at a time, but keep in mind not to get caught in a higher time frame safety trade. For example, if you're waiting for a 1 hour sell stop to form, it must go to form it and may trigger your 4 hour buy stop if you have set it too close. So don't get suckered into that. Give the 1 hour room to breathe, to move up. Besides, the 4 hours is there just to see when the 1 hour candles will bounce off the 4 hour red line. Well, that's pretty fucking specific. Once that safety trade is finished, look to the next higher time for the safety trade. As soon as it's done, then you can take it and then open up this. So these first 3 technically rules that are written out are for exactly what's happening right now to 90% of you. I know there's quite a few of you, maybe 80% of you. I know there's still quite a few that traded it properly yesterday, but I also know several of you got caught into either options. Actually, I'm in an option right now too that is negative, but I don't care. I'm perfectly fine waiting, but a lot of you are not. And then there's a lot of people didn't take the profit off of Nadex, didn't take the profit off of NAS, didn't take the profit off of US 30. And me and Mike went over that, and there was literally hundreds of pips. Then we'll go over that too. But these 3 are to stop you from getting suckered into a trade that you shouldn't get into. So you need to read those over every day. So let's go back to our rules. Rules are we only trade, and everyone's been trained on the same way, our logo. That's why it's on the back of our bull. Red line down, green line up, and then this is how we find it. Okay, so we're all clear on that. Yes or no, everybody? Clear on that? Yes, only trade the mic. Can you please
Yes.
repeat that again, says Ron. Ron, do you have the system? Yes or no? Ron, do you have the system? Yes or no? If you don't have the system, you don't have the ability to ask questions. Manifestation. Good morning, Kev. Good morning, Manifestation. Still a cool name. Good morning, Stefan 087. So, Ron, you do. So you should know better. You should absolutely know what this is saying. If you don't know to trade your logo, have you had your training yet? If you have, go back and review that, please. You're told to only trade the logo. The very first words out of my mouth, and I've been doing this for over a year and a half. Well, it's going on 2 years now with you guys on TikTok. Almost 2 years. The very first thing is you only trade the logo. If you don't know what that means, you need, oh my God, you need to not trade ever again until you watch your trading video 50 times a week for a month. Hope I'm clear on that. I'm driving, just pulled over, said Ron. Be careful, Ron. Oh my God. Jenna says yes. Good morning, Blessed Life XX. Polygot, yes. Good morning, Annie Apple. Good morning again, Manifestation. Manifestation. Isn't that cute how you guys say? Blessed morning to you again, Blessed FX. All right, so let's go through. So we're just going through of how and why people are having hard. Oh, it didn't go down yesterday. Oh, it did. Really? Really? These are my call outs from yesterday. Let's take a look at them and see. This is what I wrote out right here. Love even more the 1 hour sell stop, NAS 100, SPX 500 towards the 4 hour NAS blue line. Let's see, towards the NAS 4 hour blue line. Towards the NAS 4 hour blue line. Let's just start with that because it makes me laugh. Let's zoom in a little bit over here. All my life. Da, 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 da. So this is what happened. This is yesterday, and this is price going down and touching the blue line of the 4 hour. This is NAS, 4 hour blue line. Gee whiz, did it? Wow, how could it? What, Kev? It couldn't have possibly done that all my life. NAS 1 hour, but it did. Not only did it do it here, but look, you had opportunities. How many times was it, Mike? We counted up 4. You ended it off the red line on the 1 hour, right? 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop is what was called. 1 hour, you'd have made 38 pips once. You'd have made 40 pips, 38 pips twice. You'd have made 30-something pips 3 times, 50 pips, and another 50 pips. Not only that, later in the day, it broke down after I left you all the way down here, another 48 pips. So this is a NAS 1 hour sell stop to the 4 hour blue line. NAS 1 hour sell stop to the 4 hour blue line. And then like it always does, it bounced off ricochet coming back up now. The point is this trade was actually called out, drawn out, and done perfectly. Matter of factly, let's swing over here. All my life. Let's go into the Discord. Everybody's trying to keep me down. All my life. Da, 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 da. They're trying to keep me. They're trying to keep me. All my life. We're going to go under here. We're going to go under Sniper. Then we're going to go over here. This is inside the Discord. This is what I posted up for everybody. These are my trades that I had open at the time. That's the gold one, doesn't count. These are all the sell stops right here. 4,000, 4,000, 3,000, 4,000. All those trades came true because I wasn't greedy. I took my money and I got out of the trade. Okay? So you would have had multiple times of making 20 to 40 to 50 pips over and over and over again yesterday. But what are people, Uncle Mike? Greedy. So I'm sure there were some greedy people that turned into fat pigs, said, oh, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this and I'm going to do that and I'm going to let this ride and I'm not going to take my profit out. Sound familiar to any of you? And then instead of reading their rules and following rules, they got stung. It's like a deja vu. Uncle Mike, deja vu. So what does that mean? They stayed in a trade too long. The trade turned against them. And, oh, it's going up. It's going up. Oh, it's got really? Let's take a look of why this is. Here we go, Mike. This is what we started with you. We went to the 4 hour NAS. And what did we do? I said, hey, Mike, let's take a look at the US 30 NAS and see how that looks. All my life. Da, 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 da. I can't find my US 30s. Hold on, I got too much shit open, my brother. There we go. It's gonna take me. It's gonna take me all my life. Now there is a difference here. If this is a 1 minute, 5 minute, and the 1 minute wasn't even at its yellow line, would we take that trade, Uncle Mike?
No.
If it was a 1 minute, 5 minute, and it only barely touched the yellow line, would we take that trade, Uncle
No.
Mike? If it was a 1 minute, 5 minute, and the 1 minute went up and hit the red line, would we take the trade, Uncle Mike?
Yes.
Yeah. If it went over it, would we take the trade?
Absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely would. That is the perfect trade, correct?
Yes.
So let's be reasonable. If this is a 1 minute, 5 minute, and we were waiting for that to go over the 1 minute, well, here's the 4 hour. We were told that it was going to go to make a 4 hour back here yesterday. This is yesterday. And it went up, touched the yellow line. Fair enough. That was an okay trade, and we would have made money. Now it's over the red line. Which one's better? Barely touching the yellow or over the red?
Over the red.
Does everybody? Good morning, Sanjo. Good morning, Omu, Dialu. I just got confused on how to set up the trades in higher time frames. Right, Jason Roby. That's okay. That's what we're here for. Good morning, Blessed FX. Good morning, Jason Roby. Good morning, Sandro. Good morning, Robel. Good morning, Brian Claus. Over the red. So, well, there you go. Good morning, Tarson. Good morning, Annie Apple. Still the cutest name. Tarson Black. Good morning, Brian Claus. Good morning, Sergio. Got it now. So there. So if you understand that, so if they're fractals, so what happens on 1 minute, 5 minute happens on the 15 minute, 1 hour, 30 minute, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour daily, weekly, monthly, blah, blah. It just happens. So if what is best on the 1 minute, 5 minute, should that be the same rules and things we look for on the 1 hour, 4 hours? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. And Tom Williams said over the red line. That's what I love. Yeah. It only makes sense. You guys, Michael Hahn says yes. So you guys have to understand that just because something is there, like, oh, it touched the yellow line and it can skim off it. Sure. And it can, and you could take the trade and you would have made money. 30 pips, 20 pips, 40 pips over and over again on NAS, right? We showed you. But just because it's there doesn't mean it's right. The correct way would say, oh, well, let's wait a long time. Let's just have patience, right? But no one does, me included. So you jump into things and do things that are stupid. But the reality is, if this was a 1 minute, 5 minute, we would wait for the 1 minute to arch up. Hell, I always tell you guys to wait for the 5 minute to arch up. Do I not?
Yep.
I tell you to say, hey, wait. I don't like it. It's not my favorite trade. I prefer it to go up a little bit higher, blah, blah, blah. So that's why. Now, our rules state, my brother and everybody, let's take a look at our rules. Our rules state that we only trade our logo. Okay, we'll look at that. And then our rules state down here, what? If you don't see a clear stage trade on the 1 minute, go to the next higher time frame until you find one. The order in which the stage trades develop are 1 minute, 5 minute, blah, blah, blah. Don't get caught. So let's go over the don't get caught thing. All right. And what does that mean?
That's nice. Let's do it.
It's very, very, very specific on that one. So let's go. So if we are constantly checking on, look to the next higher frame. Keep checking in bold the 1 minute, 5 minute, see if they form, or the 5 minute, 15 minute, whatever you want to check. But keep checking back. So what trades did we call out? 1 hour, 4 hour, right? So these are 1 hour, 4 hour sell stops. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stops, and we had to keep checking back. So let's just take a look of maybe a 15 minute 1 hour. Is a 15 minute 1 hour before our 1 hour, 4 hour, or after?
Yeah, it's before.
It is. Interesting. Well, let's go ahead and apply our rules to this. This is why everyone here needs the sniper. Everyone here needs a sniper. This trade exactly would save your life. Number one, sniper on the 1 hour on the left NAS has to be high or low. So we can see that tell me when you can see it, Mike. The 1 hour blue line is high. You see it?
Yep.
So number two, let's sneak this in a little bit so you can see a little clearer. Number two, on a buy stop, then look at what's happening. On a buy stop, the blue line dips low. You see it?
That's right. Yes.
Number 3, the pink line has to come down with it. Well, so far we're 3 out of 4. Number 4,
Right.
there's a buy stop. Well, it's a broken buy stop, but we can validate this or invalidate this by going from the 15-minute to the 1 hour. Let me snag it and show you what it looks like right there. So now we have a broken Bach against the non-broken Bach buy stop on NAS 15-minute, 1 hour against the 1 hour, 4 hour sell. Well, what's going to win? The 15-minute, 1 hour buy stop broken Bach or the sell? This is short term. This is short term. So this is the Bach. Well, wait, what? Explain. So could the broken Bach versus a non-broken Bach equal 1 million trade confirmations?
It could.
And that absolutely means it's going to go up. That's what the 1 million means. It means it's going to go up. So this trade that was going against their 1 hour, 4 hour formed first and had to happen. You can't have a 1 million trade confirmations and it not go up. It had to go up. Tom Williams said the Bach baby, correct. Good morning, Kamala. Good morning from France. Good morning, DJ Arco FX. Nice, from France. How cool is that? Good morning, Albert. Oh, Tom Williams said over the line. Okay. So does that make sense to everybody? Mike, do you understand?
It makes perfect sense. I have a question, though.
Go ahead.
When it has to do that, and it did because of 1 million confirmations, then how do we know that that 15 is petered, is done, and it's ready now for the 1 hour, 4 hours to kick?
Well, let's go. Let's take a look. Excellent question. Okay. Does everybody understand Mike's question? He's going, well, how do you know this buy stop isn't going to continue forever? How do we know that we're in the right trade? How do we know that 1 hour, 4 hour is still going to go? Well, I don't know. Let's go to the 1 hour, 4 hour and look. Okay. The 1 hour is up high. Let's go over to the 4 hour now and see what that looks like. The 4 hour is down low. Interesting. So to me, this is still a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. All you're in the middle of is the middle of a dip on the M. You're coming back up on the M, and it's a double top. And so the hook can come back down later. But let's just go ahead and say, if we were going to call this the way I would normally call this, do you see that little blue bip up right there, Mike?
Yes.
Okay, this is on the 4 hour NAS. That blue bip, if that was on a 1 minute, I would say, oh, no, we got to go to a 5 minute. If that little arch up was on a 5 minute, say, oh, nope, I got to go to a 15-minute sell. This is on a 15-minute, 30-minute one. Oh, if it's a 1 hour, I have to go to the 4 hour. Well, it's on a 4 hour. So now we have to make this into a daily sell stop and see if that's true. Well, I don't know. Let's make this daily over here and see. Daily looks down to me. Yep. But is the daily arched up to where the yellow line is? So now this is where your nightmare comes in for my brother who's holding some options. It has not formed our logo. It has not retraced up to at least the yellow line or the red line like it needs to. Oh my life. Everyone's trying to keep me down. They're trying to keep me. They're trying to keep me.
So this could take days.
This could take. How many days did it take on the 4 hour when we went over it a little bit ago? Good morning, J-Flow.
2 days.
Yeah. It took 2 or 3 days on a 4 hour. This has turned into a daily sell stop. Oh my goodness. Does that mean it couldn't break today? No. Can it break tomorrow? Absolutely. Will it break by then? Absolutely. They like to do what's called midweek reversals on Wednesdays. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. They like to reverse.
Explain that. What does that mean?
That means if it's going up right now, they like to drop it in the middle of the week. If it's dropping in the middle of the week, they like to reverse it up. Those are just general rules. So if we're going to see this break, I have a feeling we'll see it break today, tomorrow, that kind of thing. But we'll see. I'm going to go over a little more detail with you too. Is the 3E from the bottom the broken bot? I don't understand what that means. The 3E broken bot. Bok. B-O-K-K, not bot. Good morning, J-Flow. Good morning, Jay Cochran. Good morning, OG. Good morning, Mr. Noble. Tom Williams, the Bach baby. Yes, great question. There you go. So, all right. So this is your great learning day because I guarantee 90% of you turned into little piggies yesterday and wanted this to drop straight down.
We were all waiting for it.
Yep. And we would have made money. Let's go back to the 1 hour again so everyone can be clear on this. The 1 hour NAS we're looking at, but it holds true on all symbols. The 1 hour NAS yesterday, you can come over to here, right here. And this is your red line entry. This is the first one, 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. It would have made you somewhere in the neighborhood of 30 to 60 pips. 6 different times yesterday on a 1 hour, 4 hour sell. But that's not enough for people. So I'm sure they got greedy and kept their trades or lost money or whatever it was. So, that's called life. All right. Now look, this is it. Oh, it's going up. It's a 1 hour going up. It's going up to its 4 hour line again to form our logo again, to pull and drop back down. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop to the blue line, NAS, called again. But is NAS ideal? Let's take a look. This NAS trade is only hitting the yellow line. This is a 4 hour. Our logo calls for it to go up and show. So let's take a look. You can see the first time, always the best time. I think some people forget that too. Going to the blue line. So our logo up, down, hooked, came right down to the blue line. Perfection, ricocheted off, came back down to the blue line. Okay, so that is perfection. People are going to say, oh, it didn't do this, it didn't do that. You're in the middle of a fucking trade, chill. So yes, it did do that, and it did it perfectly. Does everyone see that NAS performed perfectly and ideally?
So, stupid question.
Go ahead.
That logo started right at the red down turn right there. You started
before. No, price is before, Mike. You see the price action right here?
Look. Right before. Okay, well, I just want to double check for everybody.
Look, this is everyone. You better know this, or you shouldn't be in the system. Price is above the yellow and red line. In this case, the sniper line. You see that? Price is above it. Doesn't matter where or how far. Then the down arrow shot up. Bing. And then it retraced right here. When it retraced right here, like we can go back to the spot, you'll see a sell stop. And then it retraced again off of its blue line touch. It arched back up doing the ricochet, which we traded yesterday on a 1 minute. It was perfect. 99% of the time on a ricochet, it comes back up, touches the yellow or the red, hooks back down the blue line, which it did yesterday. So that is why it is our logo, and that's what it did. And it performed ideally.
Wow.
Okay, Raider Trader. Good morning, Raider Trader. Good morning, OG. Good morning, Yolanda. What's up, Zim? We're explaining it. Good morning, Zim. What chart is this? I said it 1,000 times. You're looking at a 1 hour, 4 hour. This happens to be a 4 hour NAS. Good morning, Botnator.
Botnator.
I know some people have really cool names, don't they? All right, so that's this. This is our that's our logo. So every time this was retracing, every time it retraced, let me get rid of that. It was forming. So let's go over here. This is going to be our new 4 hour right here. And we're going to shrink this back down again. All my life, gonna be keeping me down. This is the 1 hour. So you're at a 1 hour NAS on the right, 4 hour on the left. Let's take a look. In a book, reading Rainbow, I can do anything. Let's see, Mike. This right here is our 4 hour, right? This right here is our 1 hour. So we're going to come over. We're going to come over. We're going to come over. Oh, gee. What is this right here, everybody? Let's take these off. What you're looking at right here is the first retracement on the 4 hour. Remember, the first is always the best. No one get confused on that. First is always the best. All my life, keep me down. Let's take a look. So right here, we have over here, 4 hour chart. 4 hour chart. Price started above, down here, it came over. First time it rehooked was right here. As we look at our 1 hour on NAS, we're going to see something. Let's take a look. I connect them both. See it moving back and forth. Do you see where it arched up, Mike? And everybody out there listening, do you see where it arched up on the 4 hour where this arrow over here is? The smaller, shorter, stubbier arrow. There was a retracement. Right. If we look over here, is there a sell stop or a buy stop or nothing, Mike?
There. Where are you at now? Because I'm a little lagging.
Sorry. The 1 hour right here. You'll see it. Matter of fact, hold on.
The 1 hour. Yeah, that's a buy stop.
Okay, we're going to go over that real quick. Let me change the color for my brother so you can see it. We're going to see it right here. There's a purple arrow and a green arrow. The green arrow is on the 4 hour. The purple arrow is on the 1 hour. You see red, 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 green, red, red. What is this when you look at
That's
it?
a sell stop.
That is a sell stop. Very good, Mike. So this 1 hour sell stop right here then is the pullback. Oh, that's interesting. That's really cool. Okay, now let's take a look at our Bach. Number one, did the Bach drop down on the 4 hour? Yes, it did. Number two,
Good.
did the 1 hour arch up? Yes, it did. Number three, did the pink come up with it? First time? Yes, it did. Number four, is there a sell stop? Yeah, real nice one. This is a perfect trade. We took this trade. Everybody made money on it. Does everyone see how this is a beautifully perfect trade? Yes or no? Good morning, Terry Gross.
Yes.
Good morning, Mike J. Does everyone, Polygot says yes. Does everyone on TikTok and YouTube land? Thomas, Sergio, Botnator, Polygot, Ranch Girl. Good morning, Ranch Girl. Bradley says yes. Botnator says yes. Annieapple says yes. So when we place the trade in MT4, we place our entry point at the red line on the 1 hour and take profit. No, that's not what you do. Follow your rules. Jason Roby. Jason, do you have the system and have your trading? That is not it. I'd have to have Bri look him up to see if he actually owns the system. Thomas says yes. Brian Kloss says yes. Stephen says yes. Dr. Mike says yes. DJ Cross says yes. Okay. So this is a sell stop. This is a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. First time it happened, always the best. Fill in the gap. Everything's perfect. Beautiful. Now we're going to go forward. Okay, I'm just confused. Right, Jason. That's why we're going over this. Nice, Jason. Go back and watch your training video. You know how to take profit. And the entry is off the red line, but you know how to take profit. Blessed Life FX. Okay. So here we go. That was perfect, by the way. That was NAS. Here's US 30, the same trade. And here's SPX, the same trade. So they all did it. They all did the same thing. There it is. So we're going to stick with NAS. So here's NAS. Now we come over to here. And now what do we see? We see a tiny little arch up right here yesterday. And what did it do? Oh, it kind of went. Oh, I'm sorry. That wasn't yesterday. It kind of went down Friday and kind of did. And it made some money. We did good. Now we see a full on up. So let's see if it's still low. This is where I would have a problem with the trade. You can see the hook up on the 4 hour, but it's still low. We see the pink arched up. We see the blue arched up over here. That's correct. We see 4. Is this a sell stop? Yes or no, Mike?
Is that a sell stop? Yes.
Purple line, red, 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 green, red, red. Yes, it is. So then what? Well, you sit here, put your sell stop on the red line right here, and you wait. Wait for what? To come down again. What if it never comes down again? What if it keeps going up? Well, then you never engage the trade. I mean, what do you mean, what if? So you don't engage the trade, and you never lose any money. You don't make any money. It's nothing. So your sell stop stays there. Does that make sense to everybody? Now I'm going to give everybody some help so Mike doesn't have a heart attack. But we have one thing that would make me trigger this into a daily sell stop. That is this arch up on the blue. You see it? It's the purple line. Good morning, Bob. Okay. Oh, Bob's in both. Thank you for being in both. Morning, Thomas. All right. So right here, I would switch this to a daily, weekly sell stop. Oh, my God. People are going to have a heart attack. And if we switch this to the daily, weekly, let's follow the rules. We come over here. And now on the daily, let's take a look. Daily, we're going to make this weekly. And what do we see? Daily, weekly. Oh, that does not look correct to me. Look, daily, weekly. This isn't a sell. The daily, weekly is a broken Bach buy, by the way. And it's also a weekly buy, plain and simple. And one of the things that we have to see is this technically on the daily has to come back up to the yellow red line.
Oh, wow.
Oh, shit. That means this trade can keep going up for a while. I don't think it's going to, but it can. This thing can absolutely keep going up for a long time because this isn't proper. In order for us to make this trade, we have to have our logo. The logo forms here. Is this our logo down here, Mike?
No.
It has to come back up, hook up, and then come back down again. So it has to do this hook. So this is truly a daily, weekly sell. It's going to be a minute before the sell engages. Tell me when you see my little drawing, Mike. Do you see it?
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
So that's what has to happen. But if we're going to, but it's not high. That 4-hour line really isn't arched up more. It isn't that much up. It might not do that. It might blah, blah, blah. Okay, well, then you might make money and you might not. Fair enough?
Yeah.
Okay, so watch. You play what you see. You don't play what you hope for. We see clearly on this 4-hour NAS that it's now up and over the red line, right? Is that NAS? Hold on. That might
Absolutely. Yeah.
Yep. Well, I'm going to go over to US 30. So
I like
US
that.
30,
We don't play what we hope because everybody hopes. Well, it's heading towards it.
Yep.
So I'm going to get in.
Yep. Now,
how many of us? Let's go. Let's ask them about how many people have done that out there. Oh, it looks like the sniper is almost engaged, so I'm going to. It looks like the line is crossing the thing, so I'm going to. Let's be honest. We've all done it.
Anyone done what Mike is asking? Can you guys hear Mike okay? Good morning, Brian Claus.
Yeah, they hear me. They just don't want to. They don't want to answer.
Yeah. Tom Williams says, of course. Bob Williams says, yes, I have. Tom Williams says, yes. All right. So, yeah, we're not in the hoping game, in the shoulda game. Well, it should have gone down. No, that ain't what we're fucking doing. Too many times says, oh, yes, Mike says, Neil Fan again. Michael Mohan says, oh, yeah. Tarson says, yes. Good morning, Robel. Good morning, Brian Claus. Good morning, Bob again. All right.
So what you're saying is we need more patience.
By a million times a million. Okay.
But I'm retired, and I don't need any more patience.
That's when you have all the patience. Yep, you see what you want to see. Yep. All right. So the rules then. We now have US 30 4-hour up and over. So let's zoom in a little bit on here. Well, let me zoom in a little bit more. I don't like zooming that much, but you're clearly up and over the red line now. That's a thing of perfection. We clearly have the very first time on the 4-hour blue line down, pink line up. Perfect. We clearly have a sell stop with a broken Bach. Perfect against a non-broken Bach. Green, broken. Red, not broken. Sell stop, 1 hour, 4-hour. You enter off the 4-hour red line and you sit there and wait. As a matter of factly, we're going to go over, and I'll show you by pulling up the 4-hour right here. You can see it. I'm going to go ahead and put my US 30. I'm going to zoom in for you guys to see it. Sell stop. I'm going to open up multiple of these. Why? Because I trust the system. It's going to be right on the red line. If I get snagged and hooked in, I'll tell you how not to do that in a second. All my life. No. I told you yesterday to keep rising up as it went up on your sell stops. I told you don't get suckered into those things. Keep it close, but not too close. Now we're above the red line. Sell stop, US 30, 1 hour, 4-hour. Enter in off the 4-hour line. If it dips below that, you take profit off of 1, 2, 3, 4 pips. You open up the second trade if you open up 2. Let it ride. How far down? Oh, I don't fucking know. But I have a feeling we're going to be below here before this is all said and done. Does that mean Mike makes money on his options? Well, if it breaks down before Friday, it does. If it doesn't break down before Friday, that would mean Mike sucks ass and lost money. That's the way life goes. Now, if Mike's goal for each day is to make $100 a day, and he's trading options, which we'll get to in a minute, and say, just for argument's sake, it's at 50. I know most times it's at 38 or 42 or something. Let's say 40 then. Then he would need 3 options to be correct at 120. That's what he would make. It would be 120 on a sell. So if he's correct on those, he'll make 120. So that's what he should have open is 3, not more. How many options do you have open right now, Mike?
10.
Okay, so he has 10 open. That would be an incorrect amount of options. And then in which case he could have lost 180, but I went over with Mike. I have 10 options open, and I'm down 100, was down, I don't know what I'm at now, $117 on 10. So I could have closed those down and lost 117, right? And been out of the trade. Done, you lost. Oh, I lost. I'm lost. Big deal. Fight again the next day. Mike, on the other hand, has 10 open. And if he loses, what you're in, about 38 or something? What's your normal?
Yeah.
So it's 38. So that would be, he can lose, opposite of 38 would be 62. He can lose $620 on his trades. That's a hard pill to swallow. I would never do that beginning on Nadex. So that's my advice to you is don't trade. Just like you don't trade US 30 because it can kill you too fast. You don't trade more options unless you can withstand that loss. So $100 here, who cares? $50 you might lose on 2 or 3, who cares? That's fine. Learning examples, do it, whatever, blah, blah, blah. That's all. But if you're trying to trade where you can lose 500, 600, 700, say in a $1,500 account, well, you're asking for doom. You're asking for an ass whooping. So I would not do that. Okay? Make sense?
Right.
All right. Now, still beautiful trade, by the way. Still absolutely take this. Now, let's look at, so this makes sense to everybody. Does everybody understand? This is a 1 hour, 4 hour US 30 sell stop. The only thing that I would say this is now a 4 hour daily sell stop is this hookup right here. Every other time frame, I wouldn't take this trade. But because 4 hours is so slow moving, I'm going to go ahead and enter these trades if it drops. Kevin, I started line chart trading instead with candlesticks, so much better. Yeah, I know. He's talking about this, and this is what I always do on my higher time frames. Sandra is saying he makes his properties. He turns these into lines like this, like I used to. I don't know why we don't. And then you can clearly see, look right here. You can clearly
turn it into lines.
Well, I don't like doing both because I like to see what this candle is at right here. So this is now, you can see clearly that the line, quote unquote, is above the red right there. So does everybody understand this is a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop US 30? Now is your time to open up options.
Oh, boy, that's a lot clearer. And you can actually see the logo a lot better too that way.
Absolutely. It draws the logo out for you. It's a line. Yeah, I always used to have my 1 hour, 4 hour, the higher time frame lines. I always do that, actually. I don't know why I got away from that. Correct. The wicks are designed to trick you. The wicks just reach up and tap something. Usually they're tapping my blue line or something like that. Good morning, Moto. Good morning, Mike Hackley. Patience times a million. That is correct. Blessed Life FX has the correct answer. Patience you need times a million. Does everybody see the 1 hour, 4 hours, yes or no on TikTok? Does everyone see the 1 hour, 4 hours, yes or no on YouTube? All my life. This is for US 30. Now I'm going to explain where we're at on NAS. So clear we explained the setups. Thanks, Mike J. You should rewatch this till it's clear to you too. Yes, I do. Hallie, the creator. What's up, Hallie, the creator? I don't remember you. Zim. Oh, is that Zim? Does he have a different account too? I don't know. Show gold. Sure, Mike J. I could show gold. Let's go over to gold. Well, hold on. I'm going to show NAS first. Let's finish out our explanation, and we'll go to gold. We have lots of time, right, Mike? It's 7:30. Yeah, we have time. All right. So this is NAS. Okay, let's take a look. This is NAS. This is US 30. This is NAS, and this is US 30. One thing is not like the other. What's the difference, Mike? Tell me when you see a difference. NAS looks like it's kind of skimming the yellow line, coming back down to the blue. That's cool. That's a good trade.
Yeah, it's not up and over.
Yes, correct. It's not up and over. So now
we can hope that it goes there.
Yeah, now we do hope that NAS goes there, but to me, this looks like this is gonna skim and come down. But this is just NAS, and it's just the same call yesterday, but it is not as strong. It's still a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. There it is, 1 hour, 4 hour. But is it up and over the yellow line? No.
No.
Would it be better if it went up and over the yellow line?
Yes, that would be the rules.
Yes, that's correct. That would be the rules. At least we're in between the channel. We put our sell stop on the yellow line. So that, now let's take a look at SPX. All my life. SPX is kind of over. Let's zoom in a little bit.
Yeah, zoom in.
It kind of is over. So SPX is over the yellow line. Let me see if NAS was too. No, NAS is not. So SPX is up and over its yellow line. Okay, that's fair. Kind of can put it right there on the yellow line, but boy, that's kind of, which one's better again, SPX or US 30?
SPX.
Nope. Take a look again. Which one's over the line? The red line is SPX right here over the red line, or is US 30 over the red line?
US 30.
So that's the one we like. So this would be the options you would take also. Okay. My life. Everyone see the difference between NAS, between SPX, and US 30. SPX is over the yellow line, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I would put a sell stop underneath that. It's SPX, my God. If you can't afford a 20 pip stop loss, don't trade. And then NAS is not as great. I would wait on NAS. And then US 30 is beautiful. Just set it up right there and wait. So afraid of US 30. That's a smart man, Tom Williams. Pablo Spence. Good morning, Pablo. US 30 is better. Thank you, Mike J. Correct. It's Zim. Oh, so Zim. Holy shit, Zim. I don't know why. So you're a girl? I kind of thought Zim was a guy the whole time. What's up, Holly? I didn't know Zim. I'm so sorry. I didn't. Did he have a picture on his other one? All right. Anywho, so that's the difference. So there we go. Now that's US 30. That's SPX. 1 hour sell stop. Back down to the 4 hour blue line of NAS. I wrote it out yesterday. I was very, very, very specific. Now, I haven't called the 1 minute, 5 minutes. I believe that was a 1 minute buy stop, by the way. And you all made money, and I know you did. You all made money on that 1 minute buy stop I called out a while ago on US 30. Now, back, let's look at gold for somebody. Somebody wanted me to look at gold, so we'll look at gold. All my life, I have one trade going, and it's gold buy. And that's from 10-9. Jeez. So let's take a look at gold and see what's up. All my life. We're going to do a fit. I love the 15 minutes, and I might force Mike to go back to the 15-minute 1 hour so he doesn't get hooked in anything he's not comfortable with. But let's take a look at the all my life 15-minute 1 hour gold. And let's see what we see, Uncle Mike. Let's see what we see. I said what I said. All my life. Mike, tell me when you see my purple arrow pointing to something and tell me what that is. This is where it's pointing to. It's gold, and it happens to be all my
over the
life.
yellow, over the line. Yeah.
So let's see when the purple arrow, it's going to flip for you. Just wait for it, my friend.
Oh, yeah. It's at the top there.
And it is the
blue
sniper's
line. At the top.
Blue line. Boom, boom, boom.
Blue line is up.
All my life. So let's make sure. So 1 hour. Boom. Here's our 4 hour. So this is a 4 hour. Looks good to me. And let's look over here. And we're going to make this also gold. All my life. They're trying to keep me down. They're trying to keep me. They're trying to keep me. All right, here we go. 1 hour, 4 hour. This is 4 hour gold. 4 hour that Mike so astutely pointed out. 4 hour blue line is high. Okay, there's 4 hour blue line high. Number one. Number two, let's see what has to happen. Oh, I see the blue line is down low. Da, 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 da. Tell me when you see the number 2 down low on the 1 hour.
Just a second there. Now there it is. Yep,
okay, Mike sees. Good morning, Michelle Glowinski. Zim says we're back. It's Zim. So Zim, is that a guy on your one? Okay, Zim, you're confusing the hell out of me. There's Holly, the creator, with a girl, and I swear to God, Zim is a guy in his other picture. Oh, well, whatever. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Whichever you are is great. Sandra, let's go get the numbers high. Okay, there we go. So look, does everybody see gold 4 hour high blue line? Does everybody see gold 1 hour blue line low? Yes or no? Does everyone see it?
Yes. We all see it.
All my life. Michael Moyan's a yes. Correct. Love the Grego tag team, says Bob Hooten. Does everyone on TikTok see it? Does everybody on YouTube see it? I see it. Russell, Brian, Bob, yes, yes, yes. All right. Next rules. Number 3. Did the pink line dip down with it? Yes. Number 4. Is there a buy stop? Tell me when you see the buy stop. Number 4. I'm sorry, the number 4 move, Mike. And tell me if this is a buy stop, yes or no.
Well, I can see it now. It is. Green, 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 red, green.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is a buy stop. Now let's zoom in a little bit on the 1 hour and see if we made any money on this buy stop. Should they have entered off the red line, Mike? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Are they in money if they entered in off the red line? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now let's look at the day before. The exact same thing happened. 4 hour low. 1 hour was low. 4 hour was high. The 1. The 2 was low dip. The 3 dipped down. There was a buy stop. Look at gold when you see my purple line. Did it go up yesterday off a 1 hour, 4 hour buy? Yes or no?
Yes.
Boom. Did it already make money today on a 1 hour, 4 hour buy? You just said it. Yes.
Yes.
So perhaps you all should be playing 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops or sell stops on gold. Ding, 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 chicken dinner. We have a winner. Hello? Anybody out there? Da, da, da. What does Mike think of that? I'm going to think. I'm going to think.
When are you going to get out of your gold trade?
Fuck. When am I going to get out of my gold trade? Let's take a look. I got in October the 9th. Woo! October. The sell on US 30. I engaged $150 up. I'm already going to close that trade down. I'm up $180 on another gold trade to sell. I'm taking that money out too. I'm up. Da, da, da. Let's go. I'm just going to pull open just the gold so no one gets confused on this. This is my gold trade. Can I pull it over there safely? I don't know on that one. Might have to hold on that. But at any rate, entry date was October the 9th. This is my, we can go to gold and I can show you here on the 4 hour. This is my entry line right here. This is my buy stop line. I'm still in this trade. Up $150 an ounce. If I was a future trader and I was trading gold, Mike, I would be a millionaire, almost for surely. Hundreds of thousands of dollars you make off this trade. They can't make $1 an ounce, and they're thrilled. If they could pull off $2 or $3 ounces on gold, it's ungodly. I'm up $150 an ounce. Why haven't I closed this trade down, Mike? I don't know. Because why? Because what has it keep forming since I bought it October the 9th? What are all these things that I see right here, Mike? Let's take a look. What, everyone right here, what do I see on the 1 hour? Are these buy stops or are these sell stops or are these nothing? Go ahead, everybody.
They're buy stops.
Over and over and over and over and over and over again. Buy stops. Thank you, Mike J. Buy stops. Good morning, little Joe. The more you guys answers, the more you'll learn. OG says buy. So I see 1 hour buy stops over and over again. Against, look, it's going to form it again. It's going to go skyrocketing again. So another 4 hour up here buy. So these are 1 hour, 4 hour buys against a daily buy. Now it's getting a little long in the tooth at this point. Against a weekly buy. I literally, by the grace of God and God alone, look where my entry was on the weekly buy stop, everyone. Look where it was. That green line is my buy stop entry on weekly. Look at it. This is weekly buy stop. Look at my entry. Do you see the purple line? Could it have been any better? I don't know. I mean, God could have did better. Other than that, I don't see how you could have did better. I don't.
Oh, my gosh. Huh?
There you go. It was a perfect entry. I mean, sometimes it's, grace of God. Sometimes it's luck. Sometimes there's a little skill involved. This time it's probably God and then a little skill. Because that's crazy to get it that good of entry on anything, let alone a weekly entry. That's fucking psychotic. And there's the PIPS going up, or in this case, dollars per ounce. Mike J, this makes it straightforward. Good morning. See how some people, even though we've said this thing, good morning, Kim, the candle envy lady. They are biceps. Thank you, Kim. Thank you all for answering, Ruben. Yeah, this is all for your benefit. I kind of get a good idea how to trade. Henceforth, my entry right here on gold, right? But for the rest of you, you just see, Mike, we talk about it. Me and Bree talk about it. I talk about it. Me and you talk about it. Oh, they got it the last time we talked, right? 2 or 3 weeks ago. And now we're talking again. Last week we talked. Oh, they got it. And now it just reaches certain people at certain times. All of a sudden they start seeing things differently. Our entry would have been off the red line right here. Pop. Yep, there it is. 4 hour daily. There you go. So that's how you play it. Now, again, gold currently, it's a little far away on the 1 minute for my taste. I think it needs to pull back. This was a buy stop, by the way. So we were talking about hourly, 4 hours and daily. Let's just take gold. Let's just take gold and make it a 4. I got to change that back. I don't want people to get confused. We're going to do a 1 minute, 5 minute. Now, our rules state the very first thing we look for in our rules is what? We look for our logo, right? So we have to look for the logo on the higher time frame in order to make any trade. So what we're going to do is come over to here, and we're going to come right to here. And any trade you're ever going to make, it has to be against the higher time frame. Period. There is no other options. It has to be against the higher time frame. Here's our logo. Let's move this shit out of the way. Sorry, let me move this out of the way. Here's our logo on the back of the bull. So if it's going to be a buy, it has to be the green up arrow. If it's a sell, it'd be the red down arrow. So the very first thing, again, for you guys, I've told it to you this morning already, multiple times, is we're going to look for either a buy or a sell on the higher time frame. In this case, the 5-minute gold. So let's go over here. This is the 5-minute gold on the left. Right here, this is 5-minute gold on the left. This is 1-minute gold on the right. Okay?
Okay.
So let's get that clear. We're going to come over to here. We're going to look. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Oh, my God. All right, every one of you, I'm going to mush you all in the head if you don't pay attention to this shit. So this is our logo right here. Oh, my God. Look at how many times it does it. Okay. On our 5-minute chart over here, you're going to see price action started below. Where below? We don't fucking care. It's below. Let's look right here. You'll see it's below right here. When you see me draw a purple little dash line, let me know, Mike, so you can see it.
Draw a purple dash line?
Wait till you see me draw on my screen.
Okay.
Good morning, Wong Nam.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Right there. I saw it.
Okay.
Yep.
Then you're going to see the green up arrow tell us to go up. This is the 5 minutes. So now when it retraced to here, we should see a buy stop on this retracement where it pulled back. You should see a buy stop over here. Let's take a look and see if we do. All my life, people are keeping me down. They're trying to keep me. They're trying to keep me. All my life, they are keeping me down. They're trying to keep me. Here it is, our thing. First time. Let me redraw that again to make sure we're on the same page. I don't want that one. I want this one. So we're going to come over to here. All my life. It's going to be this one right here. Yep, that's the first time it touches. All right, so let's go back to here. I'm just moving forward so you guys can clearly see it. Right here. As this pulls back, let me be clear on what you're looking at. Do I have time? Make sure there's no news coming up or anyone's going to screw me over right here. Make sure it gets close to 8:30, Mike, let me know.
Okay.
All right. The orange line is the 5-minute, my orange arrow. There is a retracement. Price came up. Price came down. It retraced right to here. The first time is always the best for the 15th millionth time this morning. Let's just take a look. You see where the purple arrow is here?
Yep.
Right? So the purple orange arrow, you can see the retracement. Is this a buy stop upon that 5-minute retracement, Mike? Yes or no?
Yes.
It is. It is a buy stop. It went up. Price went up. Number 2, let's take a look. There's another retracement right here on the 5-minute. Is there another buy stop right here on the 1 minute? Yes or no?
I got to wait.
Yep.
For the thing. Yes.
Yes, there is. You're in the money again twice. Let's keep going with gold. These are 1 minute, 5 minutes. Right here, there is a slight one. This one is a better retracement right here. There's another buy stop. Look at all the buy stops. Just keep following. 1 in the money, 2 in the money, 3 in the money, 4 in the money, 5 in the money, 6 in the money. Let's keep going. 7 in the money, 8 in the money. Let's keep going. Another buy stop. And this is the current one we're on. You see the retracement here, Mike? I'll pull this over. The retracement is right here. Buy stop, 1 minute gold. There you go. Tell me when you see it, and I'll show you how it looks on the sniper.
I see it.
Things will quit moving. So there it is. So you look for the logo is the very first thing you do. Does everyone understand? You look for the logo number 1, yes or no? You look for the logo number 1, yes or no? Good morning, Tim Wong. I'll wait. I need at least Wong Nam says yes. Thank you, Tim. And I'm waiting. Babutin says yes. And there's a whole thing. If I have time, I'm about to tie this all together for everyone here in just a second. We're going to go back to our US 30s and everything. Yes, says Michelle Kolinsky. Terry Gross. Stephanie, yes. Sim says yes. Okay. So with that in mind, the retracement happens here. You trade off the higher time frame. When it comes back and retraces, you come over here to look for something. What do we look for? We're going to do the sniper because it's 100% accurate, never misses on anything ever. You might see it wrong, but it never is wrong. We clearly see number 1, 5-minute blue line is high. Tell me when you see the number 1 on the 5-minute roll.
I see it.
Number 2, the blue line on the 1 minute dipped down. Does everyone see that the blue line dipped down? Tell me when you see it, Mike.
Yes.
Number 3, you see the pullback of the pink on the higher time frame. Yes or
That's
no,
right.
Mike? Always the first time is the best, but it still did it there. Number 4, is there a buy stop? The only thing better if it was going to the blue line or a broken block. Do you see the buy stop with number 4?
Yes.
Do you see how price and candles price went up and you made money? Yes or no?
Yes.
And that's it. That's what you have. Look at how many times it did it, Mike. Just on my screen, 1 made money, 2 made money, 3 made money, 4 made money, 5 made money. Retracement again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Employment index, 8:30 a.m. Fuck News Lab system. Nice, Sandro. So if I was going to guess, they're probably going to wrap this thing down to the bottom of the ground when they announce that news. But we'll get to that in a minute. So remind me when it hits 8:15, Mike. I don't want to be stuck out here in the middle of nowhere. All right. So that's it. Does everybody see how there's on my screen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buy stops? And how every time that it was proper, sniper, 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 pink line down, blue line high, fill in the gap. Don't even get me started on everything correct. This red fits in this space right here. Double space right here. We have the arch pullback. Better yet, we could have had a Bach break, but we didn't. Price went up. There's so many right things on here. It's impossible to say them all. We're at least 25 different up things, including the sniper. The sniper itself is worth over 1,000 itself. Probably, hell, I'd have to make that $1 million too. I guess the other one's $1 million. So that's it. And that's it. So gold had no place but to go up, period. Period. I'm already in the money on gold since 1990. Nice, Robel. Does everybody see this? Good morning, Pizzini. Does everybody see this? Because I'm trying to help you guys see things clearly. And then yesterday, we're about to get into what happened and how about a third of you probably had an issue and got greedy and got your ass handed to you. So I'm trying to teach you all these basics now. So let's take a look at gold 1 hour. Well, the 1 hour, 4 hour looks exactly, isn't this weird? The 1 hour, 4 hour, what's the 1 hour for? What the fuck? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buy stops on 1 hour gold. The 1 minute. 1 minute. Let's take a look at the 1 minute. Are we looking at the 1 minute? Let's go back to where we were. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buy stops. 1 hour gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And matter of fact, if I include these fill in the gaps, 6, 7. So 7 1 hour buy stops, 7 1 minute buy stops, 7 1 hour buy stops, 7 1 minute buy stops. You want me to keep going? 7 1 hour buy stops, 7 1 minute buy stops. Every time there's a retracement on the 5 minute, there's a 1 minute buy stop. Every time there's a retracement on the 4 hour, there's a 1 hour buy stop. Is this fractals? Does anyone see a pattern here? I'm going to keep going until I see a whole fucking bunch of yeses. 1 hour buy stops. 1 minute buy stops. 1 hour buy stops. 1 minute buy stops. Do I see yeses? Yes or no? Because if I don't, I'm going to keep going until I do. 1 minute buy stop. 1 hour buy stop. 1 minute buy stops. 1 hour buy stops. Every time there's a 4 hour retracement, there's a 1 hour buy stop. Am I seeing yeses? Nope. I see 2. Not good enough. Keep going. 1 minute buy stops. Everything lines up. Everything's fractal. 1 hour buy stops. Look at the blue line dip against the non-blue line. Look at it. It's happening now before your very eyes. Look at it. Dipped, up, dip, sniper, up, dip, sniper, up. 1 hour. But the 1 hour surely could. Oh, but they did. Dip, blue line down. Dip, blue line down. Dip, blue line down. Get the fucking sniper so you don't have any more issues. Yes, yes, yes. That's better. That's better. That's better. Much more yeses. All right, Mike. Now let's go back to NAS and let's take a look at NAS and let's take a look at what happened on NAS. Oh, but NAS didn't do this. NAS didn't. NAS. NAS. There's a 1 hour sell.
It didn't do that.
Let's see. There's a 1 hour sell. The blue went up against the non-blue and it dipped and went back down. I hope here's the opposite retracement. Yep, that looks similar. Wonder if SPX did it. Oh, that's interesting. Surely US 30. Oh, yep, US 30 did it. Exact same thing. So how could this be? Well, but we didn't make money yesterday on the 1 hour NAS. We didn't make money on the 1 hour SPX. We didn't make money yesterday on the 1 hour NAS to the 4 hour blue line, mind you, right? So let's go over here. Let's take a look. We're going to change our things into these candles, and I'll keep the other ones not changed, so that's the way I normally have it. Right here. Let's take a look. Let's zoom in a little bit. And now, didn't make money yesterday. Let's go ahead and make that claim. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Where is everyone supposed to put their sell stops, Mike? I forgot. Do they put it on the red line or the yellow line? I forgot what they do.
The red line.
Okay, so it's a red line. In a book, reading strange mode.
Reading strange mode.
Can't do anything. Right here. Okay. So these are candles now. There's a wick. I zoomed in as close. If it's on the red line, this first one dipped down 5 pips. Oh, okay, you'd have lost your shirt. Okay, fair enough. Second time it dipped down 30 pips. Third time it dipped down 50 pips. Fourth time it went below the red line, 30 pips. Fifth time it went below the red line, 50 pips. Sixth time it went down below the red line, 45 pips. What's the average professional trader make, Mike, in a day?
10 pips.
Okay, we literally, even this shitty ass motherfucking one right here, still produced, I guarantee you, 10 pips. Professional trader number. This one right here, there was nothing but up, dipped down 30 pips. This one, which was red, nothing but red, dipped down 40 pips. Are these any good, Mike? Again, every hour, you'd have made 40 pips again. Every hour, another 50
But we
pips.
wanted more.
And 40 pips. Oh, it didn't work. It didn't work. We didn't make any money, says the person who had 6 times to make 40 pips 6 different times.
But we wanted more.
Okay. Good morning, Erica. Good morning, CV. You're in the money on US 30. Oh, yeah. You're in the money on US 30 sells. So let's go over to here and see why the US 30 was the correct call and see what happened. There we go. As we were talking, as I'm training you, and as I'm teaching every one of you, we made money. But it's on the 1 hour. It's not past the 1 hour. You were to make entry off of the 4-hour line, correct?
Correct.
All right. And this is your entries right here. And this is what my entries are. And I'm going to go ahead and close down a couple of those right now and leave one open right there. And there are my entries. And that's the trades I did with you live. And those are the ones I told you to do and I took with you. Okay. So those trades right now are going to be locked in one. And then I'm going to go ahead and close down one so we can keep that done. Closing down
So
one.
we still think US 30 is going to drop.
Oh, yes. But right now you're up 20 pips on
So
21
take
pips
the
on
money
a
and
trade.
run.
So don't give me no shit that this trade that's dropping before your very eyes didn't make you money when I'm up 24. I left 2 open, actually. When I'm up 2,400 pips. So don't, people are going to try, well, I'm going to jump in now. I'm going to jump in now. That's 25 pips documented live. So don't give me any shit if this flips around and goes up and goes the other direction. Couldn't make money. Yes, the fuck you could have. Am I clear that you're up 26 pips on a trade that I just told you to take a little bit ago? And I took. Closed one down, though. Yes or no?
Yes, but we want more. You trained us to get more.
Leave one open and let it run. Close one down.
Leave one open and let it run. Okay.
There's your movement. If you'd have been in your options, by the way, those options now wouldn't have been in the money, but they would be looking very, very good. 27 pips, 28 pips. Do you see it? Yes, I made money. Bob Ooten says yes. Brian Claus says yes. So that's how you trade. Oh, but yesterday on NAS and US 30 and SPX, what do you want from me? You can make money on any of these. How greedy do you want to be? We go back to yesterday. This is yesterday. This is SPX. You put it at the red line. It went down once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times. You had 5 hours, 5 different hours to make 12 pips is a lot on SPX, period. But US 30 sucked. It didn't do anything. It didn't go down. What, this one right here, it was down 80, 70, 80 pips, just like that. Oh, but today we're up 30 pips, $3,000 on 2 different trades, $3,100 each. But it's going to turn, it's going to flip around. What the fuck do you want, people? Oh, I didn't make enough money.
We want it all.
I didn't make enough money. All. I'm locking in the one. There it is. 30 pips just made live on a sell stop because we learned everything I just went over. What do we go over? We only trade the higher time frame. We wait for our logo to form. Rules are A, it starts above. B, line comes down. It retraces, goes down. It comes down, comes up, over, retraces. I told you US 30 was better than NAS and SPX. I told you US 30 to be the first one to break. I told you that's the one I was going to enter. I told you that's the one you should have took the Nadex options on or any options on. You're in the money, 30 pips. Does it matter if it reverses now? No. Does it matter if it reverses now? No. Did every one of you take the trade? Did anyone learn and listen to anything I said? Look at your logo. Look at everything. The logo was there on the 4 hour. Down on the 4 hour right here. Let's go to US 30. 4 hour. Come on now, peeps. Let's get into this. 4 hour. Down low. Correct. Number two. Hold on. 1 hour. Up high. Correct. Number three. Pink line joined it. Yes. Number four. Not only was there a sell stop, there's a sell stop with the broken box. What did I pull over here, Mike? What is a broken box versus the non-broken box?
1 million confirmation.
1 million times it said it was going to go down. Did it go down 30 pips? Yes. Is 30 pips enough? Is it?
Everybody wants. Well,
is it?
We want more.
I don't know. Is 30 pips enough for everybody? Yes or no? Is 30 pips enough? Yes or no?
Trader. 3 times a professional trader. 3 times a professional trader.
It is, Mike. But people are going to say, oh, it didn't work. I know somebody in our family. Oh, I got tagged in. It only went down 20 pips. You know exactly who I'm talking about. I hope he's listening. Oh, I only made a little dash. Yes, 30 pips is enough. Thank you, Michelle Golinsky. Thank you, Babu. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Stefan. Michael Moynihan, Zim, Sergio, Wongman. Yes, that's enough. That's enough to retire your asses. If you'd had 10 lots on that, you'd be up $30,000. If you had 20 lots of, you'd be up $60,000, more than the average anyone makes in the world, and you'd have done it in minutes. Done. That's it. Is any of this getting
Why did it move
all?
so fast on the 1 hour, being it's a 1 hour and all?
Why do I do what?
Why did it move so fast on a 1 hour, 4 hour? You know, the sell.
This is not fast, Mike. This is very slow.
It's not what
this
you
is
just
slower
called
than
it minutes
molasses.
ago.
See, look, this took 4 hours by the time it hit yellow line. 8, 12, 16, 20
Oh, by
hours.
the time it set itself up, I got you right before the setup to be there.
And then that's where you put it, and there's your money. Now we're up 34, 35 pips. Is that enough for everybody? 36 pips, 39 pips. You're up 39 pips on a trade. Oh, but I got tagged in and it turned around and went the other direction. Kevin, I don't understand why I lost the trade, Kevin. Get the fuck out of here. What's up, Mishi? Good morning, Mishi. Look, now you're up 40 pips. Is that enough for you guys to take profit and get out of the trade?
Let's watch it. It's going down more.
You never know. Now, if you wanted to hold on more, open up your options at that peak. When I told you to open up the options, I said to do it there. If you'd have did daily ones, you actually would be in the money right now if you took daily ones. And there you go. This was a whole circle of life training moment. I started with US 30 NAS and SPX. I went over to gold. Some guy called out gold, whoever it was, said check gold. We went to gold 1 minute. 5 minute. We went to gold 1 hour, 4 hours, showed you everything. In the meantime, I had called the US 30 sell stop that you're currently up 40 pips in. We hit 40. If you're up 40 pips and you're still in a trade, you're a greedy pig and you deserve to get slaughtered. But listen, this whole full circle is this is a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop still. And it is the proper one to entry. I'm not saying NAS won't go down. I'm not saying that at all. NAS is going to go down to its 1 hour blue line. I'm telling you the correct trade, if you wanted out of the three of them, would have been this 1 hour, 4 hour US 30. Sorry. And SPX also will be coming down. It's just a matter of time. Those of you are saying, oh, it went up and the 1 hours. The 1 hours take days. The 1 hour, I mean, it's a 4 hour daily. It could take a week or two to come down.
So let me just recap this for the dummies out there like me. When the 1 hour forms, it's you have to look at the 4 hour for confirmation. You have to look at the 4 hour.
No, stop. You look at the 4 hour for your trade, Mike. You look at the 4 hour for your
4 hour
trade.
for the trade to go in. Right. That's what I meant. That's what I meant. For the 4 hour, where to put the entry in on the trade. Okay.
So
because
you
you look
have
at
to
the
see the
sniper.
logo. The very first thing you guys look for is a logo. 4 hour logo. Look right here. Let's look. It starts above A. The red line, the red arrow tells us to come down. It does a retracement. We took that one, comes over. It does another one that comes up over the red line. And then that is the downward thing. Now, on top of this, being our logo on the 4 hour, this is our logo on the 4 hour, we come over to here, probably closer to here, and we're going to look for a 1 hour sell stop, right? Well, what do we, oh, too far off. It's the 4 hour, my bad. Right here. Is this a 4 hour sell stop with a broken Bach? Yes or no?
Yes.
And Garrett, well, it's God does whatever he wants. It's up to God. 99% for sure trade. It's going to go down. We're up 40 pips. It went down. We made our money. Oh, it's going to turn and go up. It's going to keep going up because you said on daily can. And it can. But you made 40 pips by placing your entry off the red line on the 4 hour, and you're in the money. Just like that. Right where this retracement was on the 4 hour, 1 hour sell stop, red, 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 green. You can see better yet, the sniper is arched up, the 1 hour sniper against the 4 hour flat. That is your entry. That is your trade. Anybody that lost money yesterday was a greedy pig and got what they got. You should be seeing this. Everyone out here should be buying the system so they can learn how to trade just like this again. That's it. This is some great stuff. Break the horse. Thanks for sharing, says Neil. You're welcome. Thank you for saying that, Neil. Okay.
Wow.
30 minutes to 8:30. Thank you, Zim. Thank God. Get the system, says Michael Mann. Yep, there you go. Does everyone catch on that literally I'm not here to do anything but to help you all trade and learn to trade. But if you guys refuse to follow the basics, refuse to draw out a line to say, hey, that is what's happening. The logo is occurring. Mike's worried, oh, the trade's going to keep going up, right? Everyone, oh, the trade. Or you follow the fucking rules and you put it in and you make your money. That's what you do. Malachi, good morning. Just buy the system. It works. He's the gentleman who did the review, the very unbiased review. He's the one that made up.
So when you if you opened up 2, Kev, like you did on that,
3.
and you let the other one.
I opened up 3.
3. I was going to say you let the other one ride just till the break even. Well, where you got in at.
You should put your stop loss up above here and wait. You know how much of that would be on this particular one. 140 pip stop loss. That's where you should leave it. I put one to, I closed one down, took my money. I put one to slightly better than break even, so I make money. And my other one is open. So I have that open. I'm watching it. So if I have to grab it, I'll grab it and close it. In other words, your stop loss, technically, everybody's stop loss should be where you're supposed to be, above the pivot point right here. How many people can afford to eat on US 30, right? 130, 140, 150 pips. Not many. But there it is. And that's what you do. And you put it right there. I'm going to put mine slightly better again so I can grab a little bit more money on this trade. Boop. And that's it. And let it roll. Well, what if it only goes down? Well, it's already up 30, 40 pips multiple times. Run with it. Do I think it's going to keep dropping? Fuck yeah, I do. Why? Oh, because this is a 1 hour, 4 hour fill in the gap. This is a broken Bach. This is everything we have correct and everything in the world. Our sniper is ungodly. I would at least wait until this next candle is done before I make a decision. On your 1 hours, they're always, they're about 80 to 90% better, longer trades than 15 minutes. Then the 15 minutes are longer trades than 5 minutes. The other week, I think it was last week, we had a 5-minute sell stop and it went down for 5 minutes and then it flipped and went up. We have the 15-minute ones. They're usually good for about 30 minutes to an hour because you're inside of this hour candle right here. And that's why. Matter of fact, we can look. Is there a 1 minute, 5 minute, anything? Let's take a look in our book right here. So I see for a fact, let me move this over here a little bit. And everyone should be buying the system right now. I should be seeing click, 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 which I don't, but that's because people or whatever. Let's take a look. Now, what's happening here? On the 1 minute time frame, do we have a logo forming? No. Do we have anything on the 5 minutes? So this isn't a trade. The 1 minute, there is a logo. You can clearly see price came down, started high, right? Price came down. Oopsie, I wasn't looking, sorry. Right here, price came up. Red arrow said down, retraced, fell, didn't retrace. It needs to come up higher and then retrace and come back down, and we'll have this bullshit detector turn green again, and that'll be the first one. Right, so that'll be our entry off the 1 minute. But right now we don't have that. We don't have confirmation on the higher time frame. So if we're looking at the higher time frame, you'd have to go from here. Price starts above, came down, it has to retrace, go up to here, hook and come back down again. And then when this retracement happens over here, it'll be a 1 minute sell. We just happen to be in very, very early because we're using the higher time frames. But if you look, there was no buy stop, right, on the 1 minute. So now we're going to go 5 minute, 15 minute and see if we have a 5 minute, 15 minute. And we do. Oh, do we? So be very careful with these trades. We have a 5 minute, 15 minute. Let's take a look at what this is. We have the 15 minute arched up high, right? The blue. We have 2. It's coming down. That's what we're playing right now, the 2. The 2 is coming down. The blue line's coming down. 3. You have pink line already down over here on the higher time frame. Correct. Do we have a buy stop? Oh, yep, we do. Buy stop. 5 minute, 15 minute. US 30, buy stop, green, 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 red, green, 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 fill in the gap, green, green, bouncing off the yellow line to the 15 minute blue line. So yes, we're in a sell stop. Yes, we made money. Do we want to stay in that too long? Probably not. I'm going to sell, get rid of one of mine and keep one open and lock it in to break even. This is a 5 minute, 15 minute, and we're going to make this a 5. Oh, it is still. That's fine. We're going to leave it just like I have it. This is a 5 minute buy stop, 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop. Everybody see how I'm analyzing the charts. The 1 minute, 5 minute was nothing, can't do anything. The 5 minute, 15 minute is a correct trade. You see that, Mike? Does everyone see that?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes. So the question is, how long will they play out so that the 1 hour, 4 hours can continue on their sell stop?
Well, you can't. You have to do exactly what the rules say and lock things in and then let it go.
Right.
Okay. No, that's not true. I just emailed Bri. Yeah, you'll get that in a few hours, Brian. Just cause Halloween trading isn't scary with this. Cute, Mike Moy. It's on the 5 minute is entry on the 5 minute red line. You would want it to go, ideally, you'd want this 5 minute, 15 minute for the 15 minute to go below the yellow line or the red line, ideally. Will we get that? Maybe. Yeah, we might. There's a nice little push down here. Does that negate the sell stops we're in? We're up $3,600. No, I'm in that trade. I'm taking that all day long and 3 times on Tuesday. What's today? Tuesday? Yep, I'm taking it. Now, the buy stop, you could place right above the yellow line. As this falls down further, move it up. Or in this case, sorry, down, 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 down. And that's it. So we come over to here. I'd go over to this one. I'd go over here. I'd go to trading, buy stop. I'd place it up here somewhere and just wait. And just wait. Don't get suckered in anything. You just wait above it. Let it hook and come back up. And again, if this keeps dropping, which I think it will, we'll grab it on the way down below the yellow. Now we're going from the 5 minute, 15 minute. We're going to go to the 50, which I love. The 15 minute is the one I'm running off of now all the time. 15 minute, 30 minute. Is there a 15 minute, 30 minute anything, Mike? Let's take a look. I see nothing current on it. Nothing. Do you see anything? US 30. I'll point to it right here. Is there anything? It's a fill in the gap buy stop, but that's not good enough for our system. It is for me, but not for you guys. So nope. There's nothing 15 minute, 30 minute. Let's check on NAS to see if there's any. NAS is not hooked down. That is incorrect. SPX has not done it. Now, there was earlier a perfect buy stop earlier, SPX, NAS, and that, but it has to reload. So it's going to come down, touch the yellow, form our logo. Oh, my God. Let me show you. Comes down, told to go up, comes over. It's going to hook and come down, come in between these two and go back up again. So we're playing this down on the 1 hour, 4 hours. Perfect. Is it going to stay going down? I don't know. I'm going to keep riding that fucker until it doesn't. So yeah, I'm going to keep running it if it keeps going down. But if it keeps going down and then it starts to hook back up, I'm going to be prepared for in this case, well, this is nothing right now. Eventually, this will be a 15-minute, so on. So this is SPX, nothing.
Yeah.
Eventually, NAS, nothing. US 30, nothing.
Right.
We go to the 1 hour. US 30 1 hour looks like a sell. Oh, look at that. NAS 1 hour looks like a sell with a broken Bach on all of these. And we have SPX as a broken Bach on all of these. So this is a 1 hour. And let's make sure our 4 hours are all correct. So we're going to do SPX 4 hour too. 1 hour. Yep. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop SPX. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop NAS. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop US 30. Okay. So that's how you read it. So the very first trade that will form an order then will be you have a 1 minute fill in the gap sell. So that's probably going to continue to go. Then you have the 5 minute buy stop. Maybe that's what they'll do with their news announcement at 8:30. What time is it? 17 minutes.
17 minutes, yeah.
Okay. So we should jump into that. This is a 5 minute buy stop. Let me see if we can go over to NAS right here. Oh, NAS is already flipping off of it. Yep, it is. So NAS is already doing its buy. Nothing we can do about that. You're too late. Let me see SPX. SPX is already doing it too. So that leaves us US 30, which may or may not do the same thing. We don't know. It's bouncing. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put another one in there even though we're ready. And then now we're ready. So now you have a couple of little buys ready to go. You're already in your sell. Why would you get out of a winning trade? Just keep it open, lock in profit, and you're good. So this then is a 5 minute buy, 1 hour, 4 hour sell. How long does it take for 1 hour, 4 hour sells? Well, hell, yesterday we hardly had any movement down, and it still didn't go down. NAS a little bit, yeah. SPX a little bit, yeah. So we're in buys. Why close? We're in sells. Why close those down? Waiting for the buys. That's all. That's it. I have the US 30 on Alfred. Great job. Make sure you lock in profit or take profit out. You're up 38 pips if you got 39 pips if you got in when I did. Thank you always for teaching, says Bob. Enter on the 15. You would enter in if you can, little Joe, on the 15. The only time you can do that is when it's below it. So let's zoom in and see. You could, yes. You can put a buy stop right here on the 15-minute US 30, but US 30 is a bitch. You better be careful with that. 15-minute buy stop US 30 to the blue line. And let me go over here. And of course, with all this, I haven't even fucking did one thing of mine. But whatever. Give me 1 second, guys. Boom. Yeah. Yeah, I can see this doing that too. I think you're going to see a little bit more of a buy the rest of this morning. Somewhere around 9:30 to 10:30, you're going to see the flip and go into a sell again. But I think you're going to see more of a buy right here. But again, I'm not closing down my fucking trades. If I'm up $3,200, I'm up 32 pips. I'm fucking locking them in and keeping them. Christopher Duckworth, outstanding job explaining the system to everyone on the fence about buy the system. Thank you, Christopher Duckworth. And that's it. Now, again, we can misinterpret what we're seeing, right? We go, oh, that's that. Oh, I don't know about that. Oh, maybe that. You can maybe misinterpret, but the system's accurate. Whether we see it correctly or not is a different story.
Yeah.
Okay. So I would recommend, and this is we have a first time in my life. I'm actually going to send out signals. Looks like probably starting within the month. You guys have the opportunity to get them. It's probably going to be like 50 or 100. I doubt it's going to be 150 a month for the signals, even though $100 for signals is insanity for me. But whatever. You'll have to have the sniper. You'll have to have the system itself and the sniper, and then you can get the signals. But anyway, it's all about reading the system correctly. Correct. The system. All I see is you wrote the system, right, Mike?
Yes, it is about the system. It's not about us.
Okay. So yeah, that's it. So when I think, Mike, you should stick with these 15 minutes, and let me give you my reasoning why here. Let's take a look at something so you can see. If you stick with the 15-minute ones, 15-minute 1 hours, right? I think you're going to just see the little faster results that you like to see. And you can do the day, as long as they break early before, I would say, before 9. Yeah, I would say before 9. If you see the setup right here before, like today, actually, before the system, look at the 15-minute right here. 1, the hour was high. 2, the blue NAS, the blue dipped. 3, the pink dipped down with it like it should. 4, there was a broken Bach buy stop. Do we have confirmation on the higher time frame with the broken Bach? Oh, we did not. See, this would be a hard one for you to take then, Mike, but I still like the 15 minutes for you. And by the way, this is why it's superior for the 15-minute sniper. The 15-minute sniper is always correct. It's just what it is against the 1 hour, just what it does. You see this dip down, that motherfucker's coming back up, regardless if this was a confirmation on the higher time frame. So I guess we'll have to, maybe not do it. But I do like the 15 minutes. So if all 3 of these were doing this, let me see. Yeah. SPX did it. Oh, and SPX was better. Hold on. Let me see if SPX was better over here. Probably not. No, it was not. US 30? Nope. Only the pink dip. Let me see US 30 over here. Yes. You did have the confirmation. This is a clean buy stop. You see this US 30 was a clean buy stop. Green, 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 red, green, green. Against this. And I used to teach everybody that it traded the same way. But then, Lord help me. It was... that people don't understand. If there's a buy stop on one, there's a buy stop on all 3. Oh my God, people never comprehended that at all. So that was a nightmare. But there it is. So yeah, this 15 minute. I might have Sid go ahead and do a modification of the system for us. I think we're going to have levels of the sells and the buys on the 15 minute. Like this would be a level 2 maybe. And all 3 of them are doing it. It would be a level 1, like the best, something like that. I'll think of something for you guys.
Right. Oh, like you do with the H&H scanner.
Right. Where we have the BS1s and the BS2s and our BS3s.
Right.
You're right, Uncle Micah, too. All right. So let's pull this out of here. All right. So at any rate, that was a lot of talking. How much time we got for 8:30? 11 minutes.
10 minutes.
Okay, so if there is really news, no one plays the news. Everyone stay out of the market. If you're in your sell stops, keep the sell stops open. If you're not in your sell stops, just wait for the buy stops later on, or you can wait for the 1 hour sell stops for later. Okay? In other words, don't play this unless it's just like an open. If this actually really good news, like big news, I don't know if this is CPI. The only big news is CPI, non-NFP, or FTMOC shit. If it ain't that shit, that isn't big news. It won't do anything. All right, 26 people. This is my warning to you, and I'll give you a 1-minute warning when 9:20 comes. I have to have at least 50 people on TikTok watching at 9:20. Otherwise, I close the YouTube feed like I did yesterday. So if you want to see it, yeah, I did it. I'm not playing around anymore. I give people too many chances. I'm done.
Look at my faces. I'm putting on YouTube.
And those sad faces?
Like, uh-oh.
I see them.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
You're funny.
Okay.
All right. So you need to buy the system. You get a type form that walks you through what to do. Then you get your training on Mondays, which I just did. Then you need to unlearn everything that you thought you knew about trading to relearn. You have to unlearn to relearn. I figured you'd use that eventually, Mike. You have to master the system by teaching it to other people, which is my brother thinks he's not doing right now, which he is. You need to record your sessions every time you trade, which I think Mike is trying. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Okay. And then that's about it.
Okay.
Currently, I'm in 2 sells in a buy stop, all in profit on US 30. So you guys can take your money out of the trades, either or, whichever way you're doing it. But I actually have a buy and sell. It's called hedging your bet. Awesome trading this morning, Kevin Mike. Thank you. You're welcome, Candle Envy. On both, says Tarson Black. Thank you, Tarson, for being on both. I know a lot of you are. I just need 50 of you to be there by 9:20. All right.
Okay. Well, I am going to cut loose now.
All right. Cool.
You don't need me. Thank you for having
Mike.
me. Thank you for having me.
Thank you, Mike. Everyone thank Mike. Yep. And I think if we just narrow you into that 15-minute time frame and only trade that, you can avoid everything else going on in your life. because you wouldn't be in a trade. You wouldn't be in any of these trades unless there was a 15-minute.
Right. I agree.
Everyone's thanking Mike. Russell Brown, thank you, Mike. Sandra, thank you, Mike. Kamala, thank you, Mike.
Oh, thanks, y'all. Appreciate it.
Don't forget.
Listen up and have some patience, right?
Amen to that, brother. And then don't forget, if you ever need help with anything to do with sugar or diabetes, that type of thing, my brother is an absolute expert. He can help each and every one of you or family, friends. He's written books on it. He's at clinics. He's learning trading, but he's an absolute expert on anything to do with doctoring, for that matter. I say to this day, and I'll keep repeating it, he knows more about helping people be healthy than 90% of the doctors and he's forgotten most of that information. Like, they kind of learn about nutrition. He's an expert on nutrition. He knows about supplements and herbs and everything else. Other doctors, not so much. So if you need any kind of help, please use him. I give him 100%, not just because he's my brother. I use him for my own health. So I give him 100% recommendation. All right.
Well, thank you.
All right. Love you, Mike. All right. Thanks. Bye, bro. All right. 8:30. He's leaving right before 8:30. Good morning, BH8. Sorry. Good morning. Am I getting adjustment soon? The world around town is you are the best. The word around town is you're the best. It is, Sandra. My 92-year-old dad is diabetic. His birthday's Friday. Nice. Congratulations to your dad. 92 years old. Isn't that fucking awesome? I hope I can make it there one day. Umar says thanks. Yep, that was my brother, Mike, Dr. Mike Grego. I call him Uncle Mike because my family. All right, you should be in cells. Keep those locked in. If there is actual news this morning and it means anything in 7 minutes, it'll go up and down super fast. Make sure you have your trades ready to roll. We have 6 minutes if there is any news that's worth anything. Don't forget that we have a stand store. That we have multiple stand stores, actually, but the one stand store that we do have is the big one, is a top 20 store out of all their stores that they have. We are a senior ambassador for Stand, and I recommend Stand a lot. This is where you go to buy the system, thesafetytrade.com. All the money we made today is because of the system, period. Because of the system. Double Ooing Gaming. Bought the book from your brother. Oh, nice. Yeah, it is a very good read. Thanks so much, Mike. Garth Faulkner. He's revising it as you speak, actually. He's updating it. So there you go. Go to thesafetytrade.com, have some fun, read things over, maybe get in, maybe don't. If you're not in trades right now, number one, don't trade at 8:30 or near it. Stay out of it. Number two, if you're going to trade 8:30, make sure you have profits locked in like I do. Number three, it's going to move fast and furious. You're going to have to get in and out very, very quickly. Okay? Let me grab this again and pull this back over here. We have not looked at TradingView this morning. All charts are the same. When you buy the system, it's actually on TradingView. Let me go over to 1 minute. Sell stop. Sell stop. 1 minute. I can go over here. Let's go to TradingView. Let me see. There we go. We're going to go into TradingView 30-second. I'm going to go ahead and do US 30 first. We're going to go into 30-second, 1 minute. Well, I like 30-second, 3 minute, but whatever. Yeah, sell stop. Yep. Let me refresh this right here. See, look, guys, I'm actually moving around. Sell stop to the blue line, US 30. 1 minute, 30-second, 30-second, 3 minute is what it is. Yep, right here. Let me go ahead and check SPX. No. Let me go ahead and check NAS. NAS, 30-second. Let me see. Buy stop. NAS and SPX are 30-second buy stop, while US 30 is a 1 minute, 30-second sell stop. Do with that information as you please. Remember, I'm not a financial analyst. I'm just a guy over here having fun. And that's all I'm doing. There we go. Yeah, there you go. Let's just wait right here, I guess. Technically, my sells are still kicking ass on that one. I took profit on the buy. We have 3 minutes to any kind of news. Let's see what happens. Gar says, thanks so much. All right. I'm going to wait just a few minutes here. We're going to watch paint dry for a few minutes. Let this 8:30 thing happen, because if I can get you guys in and out of some trades, I will. I love TradingView. So after you purchase the system for $5.75, you get the TradingView indicators. Look how pretty they are and clear they are. Red, 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 green, red, red. I mean, they are just picture perfect. You can shrink them in and stuff. They're just so cool. Very colorful. And I only use this on the bottom, actually. This is all I care about, is a sniper. And that's it. And that's what they'll look like. You get a little type form, walks you through, that type of thing. So instead of staying here, though, I'm going to move over to MetaTrader 4. All charts are the same, whether it's MetaTrader 4 or TradingView. Everything is the same. This just gives me the ability to go down to 30 seconds, and I love that about it. Love, 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 love it. All right. This is a 1 minute sell stop. You can clearly see that sell stop is perfect. Boop, right here. Boom, sell stop. 5 minute buy stop. 5 minute, 15 minute to the 15 minute blue line of US 30 buy stop. 30 minute nothing. 1 hour sell. 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. Just gorgeous. If I had to lean to anything, matter of factly, I'm going to go into my Nadex options. Do I have time? Yep. We have a little over a minute. I'm going to go into my Nadex options again. I'm going to go into the demo ones. I'm going to go into these right here. And we're going to open up some indice ones. I'm going to go over to US 30 daily. And we're going to come over to here. Yes, I'm going to take these right here. And we're going to open those up, and we're going to sit here and wait. Can I raise this up a little bit? No. Oh, there it is. Okay, and there we go. And then we wait. All right, and now we're good here. We're in our cells. We're in our cells, waiting for the buy to engage if it happens. If it doesn't, that's okay. Sell stops have made us money on US 30. I don't think we can call the same on NAS. Let me see. No. NAS is a 1 minute buy forming. SPX is a 1 minute buy. US 30 is that sell. Did we make the line here? Hold on. Not yet. It's come close to touching the blue line, though. Very good little movement. There you go. There's your news. There's your sell stops. Take your money out of the sells. You're in so much money on the sells. Close down your sells. Close at least one of your sells down. Close down one of your sells, please. You're in the money so much on those sells on US 30. Please close one down. Please close one down. Please close one down if you're in the money, which you are. Look at that shit. I'm closing down at least this one right here. See you, bye. I'm out the door. I'm taking that off. There you go. I still have this other one open. We're up 50 pips on the US 30. There's the news, whatever bullshit news that was. They just forced us to make more money. That's all you do. We were in the cells on that. Take that money and run. Look at that fucking money. Look at that fucking money. Now we're up 6,800, 6,900. Look at that money. Buy. Why am I so calm? Damn, I'm too tired this morning. Buy the system. There she blows. There's your money. There it is. Look at it. Look at it go. Deny me that we were not in those cells. Say that we weren't in these cell stops. Say it. Say it. The hell we weren't. We still have our buys ready to go. I'm going to move those out of the way. Locking in profit right now. Wow. Perfect. Perfection. We're in the money on our sell stops and our options. We're in the money on our things. Boom. Rasta push-up. Great morning, team. BS News twice this morning. Hey, D-Nice. Good morning, D-Nice. When's the other news? I like trading view next to each other like MT4 instead of on top of each other. I like the on top ofs personally, but I can't get these MetaTrader 4s to do that clearly, so I don't. $500. There you go. There you go. Can't really think you guys can get so you don't have it. Get it correct. Look at that. Look, who is not? I mean, what did happen with NAS now? Hold on. NAS. Oh, there you go. Sell stop NASs are engaged. Sell stop NAS is on SPX. Buy stop 1 minute. Buy stop 1 minute NAS. Buy stop 1 minute SPX. Otherwise, you can't play anything unless you clicked into the sell. Look at that. Look at that gorgeous money that was made. Sell, 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 sell. US 30 made so much money. It was sickening. I'm going to show you how we found that. Here we go. NAS, nothing. Let me come over to here. Can't call it if you're not in. Now the NAS 1 hour, 4 hour probably isn't engaged. Let me see if the SPX is. No, you're probably not engaged. Oh, well, you could have entered off the 4 hour. Hold on. Oh, yeah, it bounced off. Oh, fuck. Nothing I can do for you. It's going back down to the blue line again. There's nothing I can do. So I would play any 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute sell stop to the 4 hour blue line of NAS. Right now it's a 1 minute buy though, so there's nothing you can really do at this point. 1 minute buy NAS, 1 minute buy SPX. US 30, there's nothing either. You made all that money, you didn't. Look at that fucking money you made. Buy SPX. Buy NAS 1 minute. Nobody knows the happiness you see. Nobody knows your sorrow. There we go. There we go. Look at all that money. Bam. Did anyone else catch any of that money? I hope you all did. Talking about a gorgeous thing. Oh. Nice. Nice baby. Dun, 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 dun. Nice baby. Dun, 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 dun. Nice baby. Dun, dun. Gold buy. Stop called on the scanner. Boom. Thank you guys. This is Jay Barker. Rock the Bach. What's up, Jason? NAS. Boom. Look at that. Let's see what gold did. Gold and them Nar Hills. Gold. Dun, 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 dun. Gold, baby. Dun, 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 dun. Look at US 30. Oh my God. Thank you, God. US 30 is doing so fucking good. Buy stop 1 minute gold. Buy stop 5 minute gold. This might be a 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. It is. Unofficial sell stop gold 1 minute to the blue line. Officially 5 minute buy stop gold. Fit off the 15 minute line. 30 minute. Yep, I like that. I'm going to get back in the gold. I've been in the gold so many effing times. It's crazy. All I can call for SPX and NAS. 1 hour sell stops, SPX and NAS. 1 minute buy stops, SPX and NAS. Gold, buy stop, 5 minute. I'm going to rush this down. Watch. Let it keep dipping, baby. Let it keep dipping, baby. Let gold keep on dipping. Let gold keep on dipping. Let gold keep on dipping, baby. Nice. Gold, 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop. Gold, 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop. Gold, 1 minute sell stop. Gold, 1 minute sell stop. You're in so much money on your sell on US 30, we can't even count it all. Bam, baby. The gold buy stop, you're in the money on. You can take the gold money out. You're in it. Take profit on the gold buy. You're done. Look at that. Nice. Now let's go back over to SPX. I haven't checked on ERUSD. Damn it. I used to do ERUSD a lot. Hold on. ERUSD. What is this? 1 minute buy. 1 minute sell to the blue line. ERUSD. 5 minute buy. 15 minute buy off the entry. 15 minute 30. 15 minute. No, 5 minute. 5 minute. 5-minute forming. 5-minute down, 5-minute buy. It's going to come off the 15. It's going to come off the 30. It's going to bounce off the 30. Buy stop ERUSD. Buy stop ERUSD. 1-minute sell ERUSD. 5-minute buy ERUSD. Gold 1-minute sell. Gold 5-minute buy. US 30. Nothing you can do. You're just making so much money. You're richer than God. Just take that and run. It is a buy stop, by the way. 15-minute buy US 30, but I don't care about that at this point. NAS going down to its 1-minute blue line, I'm assuming. Let's see. Yeah. 1-minute sell stop. NAS to the blue line. Who hits it first? US 30? Who's going to hit this first? We should have a bet on this. I don't know where we're at. Hold on. Let me see over here with SPX. SPX. Unofficial sell stops to the blue line, all 3 indices. I don't know how to tell you to play it because you really can't on these ones on SPX. Nothing you can do. They're going to go down and touch their blue line or come close. They're already close. US 30, look at the fucking money. Hell fucking yeah, we're locking in more of that. Let me see. I think this is my buy. Look at it drop before your very eyes. Yep. You're in the money on that. Take that money out. Boom. We're up 77 pips on that. And we're taking that one out. There you go. Okay. And there you go. We're up 77 pips, 76 pips, 78 pips. Okay. Right here. We're up 81 pips, 82 pips, $8,200 on that sell stop from earlier that we did live together. We're up. Yep, there you go, like 82 to 87 pips. Yep, 8 pips live. There you go. There it is, 80 pips. Thank you, God. Appreciate this. Thank you very, very much. There you go. We're in the money on our options, $100. Doesn't sound like much, but that sounds good to me. There you go, my friend. There you go. We're up $137. All right. So we're up $150 on those options. I wonder if Mike took those. We're up $112 on the options. We're up $137 on the options. These are just demo. Let me see what my real ones are doing. Hold on. All right, guys. Hope everyone's making money out there. Sorry, I got to check something real quick. I forgot I opened up my actual options too. Nope, not yet. Not in the money yet. Gotta wait. All right. All right. So we're up $100, $112 on the options. We're up a few thousand on the other. There's the demo, $125 on the options right there. It fluctuates all the time. Those are Nadex options. Love them. Absolutely love them. Yep. In the money sell stop. There it is over here. Let me see NAS, what it's doing. Yeah, there's nothing. They're all 3 are heading to their 1-minute line. So if you can get into NAS off the 4-hour line off of this, you could have. It bounced off heading down to its blue line. That's where it's going to. SPX, there's nothing I can call. That's just what it is what it is. US 30 was the perfect call. This is your sell. This is called out, drawn out, explained out, done out, traded with you in every way, shape, or humanly form. And there you go. Wow. Just fucking fantastic. This is the logo. Boom, boom. Came over, dipped, went down. Here's your 1-hour logo. This is your Bach break. This is how it was 1 hour, 4 hour against each other. This is it. I mean, it's 101. This is a learning day. I wrote it on the title of this thing. Look at it. Just look at it. 8,000 on the one, 150 pips on the other, 8,000 right there. 83 pips on this trade. 83 pips on this trade. 82 pips on this trade. Learn how to trade for once in your lives, guys. Actually learn how to trade, okay? Again, these 1 hours, 4 hours take so much more time to develop. It's crazy. Make sure you lock in profit. Lock in that profit. As it moves down, you can move that down too. There's no reason why you can't. You can just grab it right there. Right there. Just keep moving your profit. Don't do trailing, not on US 30, not even on any of them. I never use trailing stop losses. It's just stupid. You'll get your ass handed to you every time. 8,400, 84 pips on one trade live done with you this morning. $92 pips. Look, 94 pips, 96 pips. Are we going to hit 100? 97 pips. Holy fucking shit. Take your money and run. Don't tell me this wasn't successful. 98. Do we hear 100? 98, 98, 98 pips. 99. Come on, 99 pips. 99 pips. The beer on the wall. 99 bottles of beer. You take one down. You pass it around. 98 bottles of beer. 101. 101 bottles of beer on the wall. 101 bottles of beer. You take 102 bottles of beer and you pass it around. 104 bottles of beer on the wall. 104 bottles of beer. 104 bottles of beer. You take one down. We have 104 pips. 104 pips on the ball on the wall. Oh my God, I'm so tempted to close this trade now. That's what I'm fucking talking about, peeps. This is the trade. I told you what to do. We traded it with you. Me and my brother explained it with you. Look at that fucking shit, bro. Look at that. I got to let it breathe, though. I don't want to get too close. Look at that fucking shit. 104 pips on a live trade. Can you explain the blue line? I really can't because it's magic. The magic blue line, the magic blue line. I'm sure if I fling this over to Naz, you're about to see it. Here's Naz. Let me see the 4-hour blue line. Yep, and there she blows. She's going back down to it like she did yesterday, like I told you. There she blows. It's a magic blue line. How can I explain it? It's magically delicious. The blue line is a magic magnet that sucks everything over to wherever it's going. It sucked it there yesterday. It's sucking it there again today. Whether it hits it is real relevant. As pointed out by here, when you're up 100 pips, who gives a fuck? This is what I wrote out for you guys. 1 minute sell stop to the blue lines. 5 minute buy stops. Love even more the 1 hour sell stop to the NAS and SPX towards the 4 hour NAS blue line. Can I be any more specific than that? I wrote it out yesterday, traded it out with you. Wrote it out today, traded it with you. Oh, 100 bottles of beer on the wall, 100 bottles of beer. You take one down, you pass it around. 90 bottles of beer on the wall, 90 bottles of beer, 90 bottles of beer. You take one down, you pass it around. 90 bottles of beer on the wall. In my Kev singing voice, Rasta Pusha. Who is loving this? Come on, peeps. Come on. Before market open, 104 pip trade. Professional traders make 10. We made over 100. And they're lucky if they make it. Every day we do this trades with you. 100 bottles of beer on the wall, 100 bottles of beer. You take one down, you pass it around. Holy fuck, we made so much shit this morning. 100 bottles of beer on the wall. It's going to come back up and do another 1 minute sell stop for us in a minute. 100 bottles of beer. You take one down, you pass it around. 100 bottles of beer on the wall. 100 bottles of beer. 100 bottles of beer. I'm going to let it breathe a little bit. And you take it around. It does not negate the fact that this is a 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop. US 30. 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop. US 30. Does not negate the fact this is a 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop. US 30. Take one down, you pass it around. Doesn't mean we can't make 100 pips off that down. Can't do. All right. I don't know who's been on with me for 2 hours. And I was on with my brother for an hour before that. And they said, hell no, we got to get on here. Oh, I hope some of you are catching some of these pips somewhere. I hope to God. I don't know what more I can do to help you guys, but when I draw it out, trade it out, teach you what to do, show you what to do, explain what to do, that's all I got for you, brothers. And so they're like, oh, he's not a very good teacher. Really? Okay. Yeah. I remember who. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Oh, I remember who. All right. UPS, who fucking cares? UPS, who cares? Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. This is fucking awesome. Who here is enjoying this morning and thanking God for the beautiful, it's going to be freezing cold here today, literally, but beautiful day. Thankful we're above. Oh, I forgot to say my prayer. Oh my gosh. Thank God for another day above ground, another day of health, happiness, which goes with you. Thank you for another day of Bri and Katie and Livy and Mike and Jenny and Terry and all my family and friends all being together with us and all being healthy and happy. We ask your healing blessing upon every one of our listeners, every one of my members, everyone that's hearing this prayer. Please heal them all up, spiritually, physically, mentally, emotionally, and let everyone be as happy as they can be and grateful as they can be. No, life isn't perfect, but I prefer not to focus on all the problems that we have. So thank you, God, for all your blessings you've given me and over the years and even the hardships. But anyway, but thank you. Heal up everybody that's listening. Thank God for everything. Amen. Jeez, forgot my prayer this morning, guys. Fuck. All right. I usually pray before you guys come on anyways. Awesome. 2 hours. Thank you. Says Michael Moyan. Yeah, wasn't it awesome? La da 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 da. I'm enjoying this training this morning. Does that infer that you're not enjoying the training other mornings, Russell? No, it's fun. For example, 5-minute, 15-minute XPX, 1 hour, 4 hour X pips. What's the pip range on different time frame calls? You got to learn that, Michael J. Yeah, I mean, you really want me to give you every fucking thing, Mike? Oh, Lord. I'll tell you this much. SPX isn't nearly as much as US 30. Don't be a greedy pig. That's my advice for all of you. Don't be greedy and piggish. Don't be greedy and piggish. Don't be greedy and piggish. I'm telling you right now, take your money and run whenever you're up any pips. Your rules say 1, 2, 3. Follow the rules with me. Follow the rules and don't fuck around and don't fuck up anything like your money. Take your money and run. Take your money and run. Take the money and run. Ooh, there's quite a few emails this morning. Gonna have to get going on that. All right, guys. Wonderful prayer. Thank you for sharing your blessing with us. God bless you and your family. Thank you, Kim. Good morning, Pip Hunter. Still in the money on the sell. Still now. You should all be done trading. Every last one of you should be done trading. I just showed you a 104 pip profit trade, but yet some of you aren't going to be done trading. Explain to me how and why. Oh, garbage truck driving by. The security camera picking up on it. Da 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 da. I am Groot. My TikToker. What's up, Groot? Michelle Glency, definitely one to rewatch over and over. Absolutely. Good morning, team. Gavin Grill. Good morning, Gavin. Da 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 da. 105 watching on YouTube. 73 likes. That's better than yesterday when I was less than half, but not really good. Let's get the thumbs up better. Now, TikTok only has 42 people. I'm telling you, just like the lady on the airplane that's been overused, but I still like, I'm telling you that if I don't have 50 people by 9:20, I will close down the YouTube feed like I did yesterday. If you guys don't care, I'll keep closing down the damn YouTube feed every fucking day. I don't really give a shit. Oh, we have Blue Line Touch. Blue Line Touch, US 30. Hold on. Then I got to get over and do something. Blue Line Touch, Blue Line Touch. Oh, it already was. Oh, Ricochet, sell stop, US 30 to the 1 minute blue line again. NAS, sell stop to the blue line. SPX, sell stop to the blue line. If you don't want to play the 1 minutes, don't worry because we have more in our pocket. 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop SPX. 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop NAS. And unfortunately for us, this is now turned into a 15-minute, 30-minute. 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop, US 30. Da 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 da. Doesn't mean we didn't make money on this 1 hour sell stop, 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. Yes, we did. We did. I drew it out and explained it to you. I drew it out with my brother and I drew it out again and again. I told you what I was going to do. I did it with you. I even drew it out and I wrote it out and drew it out and sung it out and was obnoxious about it with you. Sell stop in the money. Sell stop in the money. Let's see if we're going to go back down and hit it again. Oh, looks like we are. You're in the money on the 1 minute sell, which I didn't call, but you should have caught it yourself. You're in the money, not on NAS yet, but you will be in 2 seconds in SPX. There you go. You go. Now you know. Did gold ever go down and hit it? Yes. Gold went down, hit its blue line. Ricochet went back down, hit it again. There is your gold. There is your gold. Then gold has a 5 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. Buy stop gold, 15 minute. Buy stop gold, 15 minute. Buy stop gold. Let's check ERUSD. I'm sure ERUSD hit this 1 minute. No. Sell stop ERUSD 1 minute to the blue line. There we go. We go. 1 minute sell, 15 minute buy. Oh, I like that buy. I buy. I'm going to move it down here. Beautiful. Absolutely. Take this every day, twice on Tuesdays. Is today Tuesday? Gonna put my little buy stop in if I can over on ERUSD, but it's rising up against me. That's why it's doing that. Fuck. All right, fine. SPX. 1 minute sell, 5 minute, 15 minute buy. NAS. 1 minute sell, 5 minute, 15 minute buy. US 30. You can't really call it 5 minute, 15 minute buy. Make that a 30 minute buy. Either way. There we go. We made so much money on our sell. We were up over 100 pips. Give me a break. Somebody want more than that? 1 minute sell, US 30. Now I have to go over here and do a couple things. Your singing is awesome. Yeah, right. Forget me not. Thank you for coming over. Groots, forget me not. What's up, Larry Cooper? Good morning. Great morning, Cindy Gannetti. And Gavin Greer. Da 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 da. Wesley, let's see. Ba 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 la di da di da di da di da di da di da da da. Who loves you? Who loves you? Da 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 da. Give me just 1 second here. Da 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 da. Take one down, pass it around. Is everyone having fun with me? Yes. Good. Anybody have any questions? All right. Sniper, wiper, sniper, wiper, sniper, wipe. Better let her handle that one. I don't want to mess anything up. Give me 1 second, guys. I don't know what's going on. Sell stop 1 minute, all three indices. Oh, beautiful. Great job on that. Awesome job. All right, that takes care of him. Good morning, everybody. Discord, sure, let's get that. Any questions from anybody? Da 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 da. All right, what are we looking at? Anything? Yep, you're in the money on that sell, I see. Hold on. I'm a coming. Just got to get some things done. Not sure on that one. I'll let her end that one. And all right, now back to you guys. Here we go. Where are we at? There we go. We'll come over to there. Larry Cooper. Great morning, BCM. Great morning, BCM. Let's see if I missed anybody. It looks like I have. Kai. Good morning, Kai. Good morning, Larry Cooper. That's singing your morning star. Yeah, right. Oh, you're in the money. You're in the money on the 1 minute sell stop on the rebound back to the blue line on US 30. I'm assuming, let's see what NAS did. NAS, you're in a little bit of money. SPX, I don't know. Yeah, a little bit of money. I like the US 30 one, though. That obviously did a little bit better for us. Da 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 da. Oh my gosh, 90 something pips. That's crazy. Robert Seeming, doubling. I went to go walk my cat. What's happening? Just making money. Kendall, good morning, Kev. Walking your cat's so cool, though. Good morning, Kevin, everyone. Good morning, Kendall. Good morning, Alexander Gray. Darav Rana. Gold is tanking. Nice. Let's see the gold. Gold to the blue line. As called. 1 minute to the blue line. Gold is official. It hit its blue line. 1 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. Gold. Buy stop. Let me see. 30 minute, 1 hour. Yeah. Nope. 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. No. 1 hour, 4 hours. Still going to dip. Still going to dip. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop on gold. Let me see where I can enter in it. Follow it down as it goes down and keep making your money. Let it keep going down with gold. Gold. 1 minute Sell to the blue line already happened. 1 minute sell. Look for any 1 minute sell stops to the blue line on the 5 minute gold. And then it's a 5 minute, 15 minutes, a 15 minute, 30. Nope, it is not. It is a 1 hour. It is a 1 hour, 4 hour, like I said. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop gold. Da, 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 da. You can keep playing those 1 minute sells that were called out. I don't care. That's up to you, however you want to handle that one. Da 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 dee da dee da dee da 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 dee da 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 dee da da da. It's going to come up, touch the yellow line, or preferably go above the yellow line or above the red line. Sell stop to the blue line again. Your Discord server, Kev. You can't join the Discord server. Good morning, Alexander Gray. Gold tanking, says Rana. It's not tanking. It's a very little movement, but whatever. I'm still up 147 ounces on gold. It's tanking. People's words are so weird. It's not tanking anything. It's barely moving, but whatever works for you. Alexander Gray, you can't join the Discord server unless you buy the program. And then you get a type form that walks you through how to use it. And then it tells you how to join the Discord. But you have to buy the system in order to be in a Discord. Dennis G, oil sell stop. I can look at thing. Mike J, gold. Yep. Good morning. Take it from me by system, says John Francesco. Thank you, John. US 30, 5 minute buy stop, enter off the 15 minute red line. Oh, let's see. US 30. Let's see. But first, 1 minute sell stop. You have to honor these 1 minute sell stops. Let it arch up a little bit higher, then it's going to come down again. 5 minute is a buy stop. It's a broken Bach. It's a 5 minute broken Bach. You'd enter it off the 15 minute red line right above it. The yellow line, if you like, doesn't matter. Either one on this one because they're smaller. Or you can enter off the 30 minute yellow line right here. Either one that you want to do. And that's how you read it. I would honor these 1 minute sells first, though, before anything. I don't believe it's done with that. Oh, oil. I thought I called oil this morning. That's been a while, like 2-3 hours ago. Oil, 1 minute, nothing. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop oil. Oh, shit. Oh, it is what it is. 1 minute sell stop oil. Yeah, it's going down. There you go. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop oil. 5 minute buy stop oil. The better one out of the three, though, is a 30 minute 1 hour sell. That was called out this morning. I'm positive this is a 30 minute 1 hour sell and you're in the money. Absolutely 100% 30 minute 1 hour sell. That's what that is. There is a 5 minute buy, but you can let that go, whatever. Good morning. Take it from me by the system. Russell Brown, US 30. Byron Harris. Good morning, Byron. All right. I think I answered everybody's questions. It's 9 o'clock. You guys have literally 16 minutes to get 50 people over to TikTok, the Real Safety Trade. If you do, I'll stay on YouTube. If you don't, I'll lock it down like I did yesterday. I'm going to close down YouTube unless there's 50 people or more. What are we at 103? That's fine. Yesterday we were at 120. And we have more thumbs up this morning. Isn't that cool? Because yesterday we only had 40 thumbs up with 120 people watching. I said negative. Absolutely negative. And I closed down the YouTube feed. Ain't happening. TikTok. So its sound is faster on YouTube anyways. I'm sorry, sound is faster on TikTok anyways. All right. Let's get back to making some money, honey. Let's go over to US 30 and see what she's got. I've given her all she's got, Captain. 1 minute sell stop. US 30. 5 minute buy stop. Broken Bach. 15 minute entry or 30. Buy stop. US 30. 30 minute, same. 30 minute, 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. US 30. And we just made so much money and are making so much money. It's crazy. La-da-dee-da-da-dee-da, da-da-dee-da-da-dee-da. That's all the money we made, and how beautiful was that? Oh, I got suckered in. You got suckered into 100 pips. Don't give me no shit. Da-da-dee-da-dee-da, da-da-dee-da-dee-da. And you got to listen to my singing. Why? Because I make 100%, well, I make 90%, 99% accurate calls. I always give God the out. So, unfortunately for you guys, you have to buy my system and learn how to trade so you can actually do this yourself. You don't have to listen to me. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. NAS 1 minute sell to the blue line. 5 minute buy stop NAS. Da 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 da. Oh, you're in the buy. You're in the buy. You're in the buy on NAS. You're in the buy. Take your money and run. You're in the money on NAS. I'm assuming SPX. SPX, not yet. Not yet. Buy stop, 5 minute SPX. NAS, you're either in it or you're not. Take your money and run. US 30, 5 minute buy, but you have to do it off the 15-minute line. Da 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 dee. Why would I ever close down a winning trade on a sell? I'd leave this open forever. I'm putting my buy in though over here on US 30. Nazzy, Nazzy, Naz, Shazzy, Dazzy, Naz. 1 minute sell stop NAS to the blue line. 1 minute sell stop NAS. 5 minute buy stop. You're already in it. SPX. 1 minute sell stop. You're not in the 5 minute buy. If you're in the NAS 5 minute buy, take that profit and run. Get the fuck out. Don't stay in that trade any longer than you have to. You're somewhere up, I don't know, about 5-10 pips. Good enough for me. Take your money and run. US 30 sell to the blue line. Let's watch it go down right now and see how close it gets right in front of you. There we go in the money. I called that out a second ago. 1 minute sell stop. 15-minute buy stop. 1 hour sell stop. US 30. Da 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 da. You're in the money. You're in the money. You're in the money on probably NAS 2. NAS sell stop. NAS sell stop. Let's see what it's doing. Not yet. NAS is not there yet. The US 30 is though. Whoa, hold on. Sell stop, NAS, 1 minute. US 30 to the blue line. Already made money. Whether or not you're going to hit that is irrelevant to what we're doing. You're up, I don't know, about 10, 15 pips, maybe 20. There we go. Good morning, Matt Parker. Good morning, Byron Harris. Good morning, Don't Cast Stones. D for Eagles. Da 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 da. 10 minutes. 10 minutes until we have to have 50 people, which we do. And TikTok, but it's close. It's 53. I hope no one leaves. Da 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 da. 104 watching and 98. You guys did so much better today with the thumbs up. Who knew you guys can actually hit the thumbs up? I don't mind you borrowing my signals every morning that I give out for free, but I'm about to start a new signal service that is going to be paid. It's going to be only open to those who are in the sniper. So if you're not in the sniper, you can't get the signals. I'll be sending out signals through another member here, utilizing a little thing that he's using. And I think Keith is working on one for us for the Holy Grail trade also, which, yes, that is true. What I'm saying on that one is actually we figured it out. Well, I figured it out. I got a 100% accurate trade. That'll be coming. That'll be 6 months from now, maybe longer before I release that. But the 15-minute signal call-outs are going to be coming very, very soon. Very, very soon with rolls. Da 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 da. Do Insta Live. Haven't done that one. You should be recording your sessions at all time, by the way. Sending in positive vibes. What's up, Carissa Hines? Thank you for the positive vibes. Much appreciated. Much appreciated. Oh, did we hit the blue line here? Sorry, wasn't paying attention. We're in the money on the buy on gold. You're in the money on the buy on gold. It's tanking. It's tanking. No, it's not tanking. No, it's not. No. You're in the money on your buy on gold. You can close that trade down if you'd like. That was an entry off of our sniper only. And there it is. You're in the money on your buy on gold. You're in the money on your sell on US 30. I would take both of those and run to the hills of California. $154 on my gold buy. I'm going to close that down. Boop. And then $10,000. Let me go over here. You're in the money on the gold. And you're way in the money on this US 30. Look at it go. Woo! 106 pips. 107 pips. 108 pips. Who's got 108 pips riding on this trade? $10,000, 104 pips. Holy shit. Wow, crazy ass. This is the gold one, by the way, in case you guys are wondering, that top trades from October the 9th. I've been in this trade since right back here. Crazy ass shit. We actually tagged the very bottom of the weekly entry. Look at this shit. That's fucking incredible. That's all I can do. If anyone knows anything about trading and you see that type of trade, wowza. That's all I can tell you. That's all I can tell you. If you can see anyone grab a weekly entry like this, wow. I only give God the credit because that's insanity how good that is. Absolutely insane. If I didn't make that trade, I wouldn't believe that trade. 1 minute sell stop gold, by the way. That is psychotic. US 30 to the blue line. Everyone. La da 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 to the blue line, to the blue line, to the blue line. Zippity doo dah. There it is. There's a 2 out of 3 scanner, the greatest creation ever. Simplest solution ever. 1 minute sell stop. NAS and SPX to their blue lines. Everybody. 1 minute sell stops to the blue lines. US 30 just did it. That's why it's showing it right there. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. There's our money. There's our money. There's our money. Money, my money. There we go. Go. There we go. We go. This scanner is $500 unless you already purchased it, and then it's not. It's not. 110 pips before market open. If you're still trading, you're a greedy slob and shouldn't be in here and shouldn't be trading at all. Don't be doing it. Look at this. Look at this shit. Boom. Yes, we have scanners for everything. Woo! There she blows. She blows. Look at how pretty that is. NAS. Let's see what NAS is doing. Gee, I wonder. Da, da, da. Oh, NAS is in the money. 1 minute sell stop. Going to its blue line. Let's see where it is. Let's see where it. Oh, we got a ways to go on NAS. There she blows. She blows. There she goes down in SPX. There she is. Everybody's giving us money. NAS in the money. SPX in the money. US 30s and shit tons of money. Da 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 da. 111 in pips. Watch it go down before your very eyes. Look at it go down, down, down. Wow, look at this shit. Woo! Who's in the money now, peeps? Good morning, Kev. Came over from YouTube. Thank you, Don't Cast Stones. Da, 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 da. Xavier. Good morning, Xavier. Good morning, Zero. What's up, Zero? Babu, sign me up. Zero. What's fuck crypto? Good morning, Kev. What's up, Kev? So proud of you, my man. Nothing but blessings to you. Continue blessings. And Kev, if it's okay, I would like to tell everybody a little bit about your story. I only know a little bit about it, but I would like to tell you that. I thought you were going Josh's route, Stock Market Live. He gives everything for free. Oh, get out of here. Get the fuck out of here. No, you do not come on here promoting something else. Don't do it. Not happening. Da 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 da. I'm only putting you in timeout. I should ban you. Don't you dare come on here talking about anyone else's system. Don't you fucking dare do it. All right, there you go. I made some trades, but sold mine for profit long ago. Nice. You have to get me on your level with the sleep system, Mike J. Sure. Shoot, nothing, just trading, of course. Zira, Kevin. I'll owe you. Laughter out loud. This is what's going on. And that girl is nice, too. What a shame coming in here doing that bullshit. Look at you. Boom. So this guy's doing trades, too. Really? Really? He is? Well, then go over to his fucking channel. Stay off of mine. Da 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 da. Carissa, scam artist. Oh, he's doing the same thing. Anywho, so Zira, the great Zira, Kevin is his name. Zira was homeless. I don't know how many months ago, but several months ago. He used what little money he had to buy the system. Zero is no longer homeless, and he's in our Discord showing his trades after trades, kicking ass. Zero has gone from being homeless to not being homeless using the system. Another person, Billy, who I respect also, was homeless, and he used the system. It took him about 3 months to get out of homelessness, and he also used the system to get out of being homeless. So there you go. Everyone should be applauding Zero and Billy. I got 4 trades open, all in the money. Gold, SPX, and Bitcoin. Where are you trading Bitcoin at? Interesting. And whoever my mods are, where's my mods at? Where's all my mods? I should make Zero a mod. 1 hour sell stop. Still valid? What do you mean still valid? We're in the trade up 120 pips, bro. I would say it's valid. Don't close the trade down. Look at it go down to the blue line. Boom. Look at it go down before your very eyes. Boom. There's your 1 hour, 4 hour. You entered off the 4 hour as we taught you this morning. There's your trade. Yes, it's valid. Yes, we're in so much money on that trade. We're up 125 pips on a trade. Are you effing kidding me? We're up 124 pips on a pre-market trade. Look at this fucking trade. Wow. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Yep. Beautiful trade. So thankful for Mr. Grego and the system. SPX is printing. Yes, it is. That's so great, Zero. Yep. It's valid, but you're too late to the punch. You should be doing the 1 minute sell stops. And look. Here is Nazzy Waz. What did I tell you Naz 1 minute was going to do? Oh, gee, I don't know. Go down to its magic blue line. Look at that. We're trading with magic. Trading with magic. Let's see where SPX is going. Bada ba 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 boom. Bada ba bada ba boom. It's going. I'm going to go ahead and say Naz is going to get second place. Naz is getting second place. Zippity doppity doo on the wall. Zip. Look at that. Bingity boppity boo. Like a magnet. Like a magic magnet. Now, are we in profit? Yes. Is it going to touch the blue line? I don't give two rats ass if it does or doesn't. Did it just make us 20 to 30 pips beforehand? Did we have a call out right here? One admission. What? This is my call outs. Unofficial 1 minute sell stop to the blue lines. US 30 hit its blue line, forming a 5 minute buy stop. 5 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop happening. Love even more. 1 hour sell stop. NAS SPX towards the 4 hour NAS blue line. Yep, that's what it's doing. Let's go over to the 4 hour blue line. Let's see where it's at. Oh, gee, there it is again. It hit its blue line. Well, it's close enough. It's going to be there in a second. Who can make these calls? I don't know, but who can make these calls in the wall? Those options I took out a few minutes ago, even though these are on demo, I have real ones on my other account. These options right here is right here, and they're up $500. They took out all the guesswork on the buys or the sells. I told you when to do it. I did it with you. We're up $525 on the demos, which means I'm up at least that on my real account because I trade the same things over there in the real. La-di-di-da-di-di-da-di-di-wa. I'm going to make Zira. Zira, welcome. You are now a moderator. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Congratulations to Zira. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Bob, you are now a moderator. You may rise. Sir Bob Ooten, you may rise. Sir 0180. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Russell. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. You are now a moderator. We will now call you Sir Russell Brown. Please rise, a moderator. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Groot. You have now been knighted. You are now known as Sir Groot, Rob Gruthius. You may rise, a moderator. Is this nuts? Cindy Ganetti. Da-da-da-da-da-da. You are now Miss. I think you're still allowed to be a Sir. Cindy Ganetti. You are now a moderator. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Michelle Glowinski. Da-da-da-da-da. You are now a moderator. You are now forever known as Sir Michelle Glowinski. Candle Envy. You already are a moderator. Pip Hunter. Terry Thing. I'll be adding more as we go. Don't get worried. Da-da-da-da-da. Refresh yourselves. I truly apologize. It wasn't promoting. I was saying I love the energy, but I love you. Here's an apology. I'm extremely sorry. I hope everything goes well. I really was sending a positive vibes. Okay, Carissa. Fair enough. Just don't bring anybody else up in here. Da-da-da. I am Sir Groot. Yes, you are. You are Sir Zira. You are Sir Cindy. You are Sir Bob. Da-da-da-da. Don't abuse your powers. Carissa apologized. We keep her here. All right. It is now 9:20. Do we have 50 people? Yes, we do. We have 50 people. Yay. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Why can I not? Hold on a second. Whoa. Hold on, gallery. D-Man. Why can I not add? Hold on. D-D-D-D-D-Man. D-D-D-D-D-D. D-D-D-D-D-Man. D-D-D-D-D-D-D-D-D-D-D-D-D. Huh. Well, D-Man, I'm going to have to do it an old-fashioned way for you. D-man. Let's see what we got. D to 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 D. All right. Now, let's see where we're at with everything. Look at these sell stops. Gee, I wonder where they're heading to. I forgot again. Oh, I don't know. Called out before, blue. NAS, blue. SPX, blue. Close enough for horseshoes and hanging eights. What time we got? 8 minutes to market open. Da 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 da. D-man. Let me see. Fudgicles. How do I do this during the live? Da, 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 da. Let's see. This is ridiculously hard. Give me 1 second, guys. Sorry. Oh, forget it. This is too hard. Just forget it. Just forget it. I can't do it. I'll get to that later. Let me see if I can do it with my phone. Wow, that was a pain in my ass. All right. It is 9:23. Market open. Please don't play market open. Unless can't do it. Fuck. All right, guys. Sorry. Here we go. El Twino. Mike. All right. Be right back. Going to look for the TikTok. PK, the whole chat is going to be blue. I know, right, PK? Matter of factly, you need to be one too, actually. Byron Harris. Good morning, Tony. Good morning. Your sound is so much better on. Yes, it is. It is better on TikTok and it's faster. Correct. All right. We're actually staying on YouTube. We have 58 people on TikTok. We have enough thumbs up on YouTube. We're staying live on both. Sell stop to the blue line is still making money on NAS. Sell stop on SPX, I'm sure, is following. And it is. US 30. Look at it right here. Holy shit. We're up 100. Wow. That's fucking nuts. 130 pips. 129 pips on a trade from this morning. That is insanity. That is absolutely nuts. I might hold it here. That is crazy. Let me see. I mean, that's some fucking money. Hold on. Pre-market open. I'm going to check everything. Hold on. Let me just lock this in real quick. Sorry. Nope, not enough. I'm not fucking around with that shit. There we go. Yeah, it might tap me though. Fuck, do I care? Do I care? I want at least 10,000 out of that. 90. That's close enough. All right. 130 pips on one trade this morning. Woo! All right. Now, where were we? 3 minutes to market open. Oh, shit. Okay. Let me check gold real quick. Gold, 1 minute. Sell stop gold, 1 minute to the blue line. Gold, 15-minute buy stop. I already did it once. I'm not going to do it again. Gold, EUR USD. 1 minute sell to the blue line. 1 minute sell stop to the 5-minute blue line. EUR USD. 15-minute, 30-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute. 30-minute buy stop EUR USD on the red line. Let the 1 minute stay in place. That's fine. US 30. 1 minute sell. It's already been. 5-minute sell. It's already doing it. 15-minute buy. 15-minute, 15-minute. 15-minute, 30-minute. 30-minute buy. 30-minute buy. Take one down, run it around. US 30, 30-minute buy. All these are going to be the same. You might have to enter off the 15-minute though. 15-minute buy, NAS. 15-minute buy, SPX. 30-minute buy, US 30. 1 minute, sell all three. 1 hour, sell all three. If you don't like the 1 minutes, don't play them. Just stay out. Stay out. 1 minute sell stop, NAS. Is this NAS? It is. Let me see US 30. All right, let's get prepared. Can't do anything here. We got to wait. All right. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines. No, for real. For everybody across the board out there, where's Patrick been? Where's Patrick been? Hold on. Where's Pat? Where's Pat? Where's Pat? Where's Pat? Hold on. Yeah, I know the market's coming open. All right. All right, now we're good to go. Don't play the market open if you're not experienced, number one. Number two, you're in the money on the buy stops on US 30. Take your money out. Sell stop, 1 minute, US 30. 30-minute buy stop, US 30. 1 minute sell, US 30. You're in the money on your sell. You're in the money on your sell. Take your money out on your sell stops. Take your money out on your sell stops. You're in the money on the sell on US 30. Sell US 30. Sell US 30, 1 minute. NAS, 1 minute sell, 5-minute buy. You're in the money on the 5-minute buy. Close down your trade if you're in the money. You're in the money on the buy on NAS. SPX, you have time actually on SPX. You can put this over here and wait. 1 minute sells across the board. 5-minute buys across the board. Sell 1 minute NAS. Sell 1 minute SPX. You're either in the money on US 30 or you're not. No, look at that shit. Holy fucking shit. How much is that? Woo! We're in the money hugely. Fuck me. 177 pips. 177 pips. 180 pips. Fuck yeah, I'm locking that shit in. Look at this. 200. Do we see 280? 182 pips. 189. 190 pips. 193 pips. 200 pips on one trade this morning. Take that money and run. Holy fucking shit. Take that money and run, and run some more and run some more. Holy fucking shit. Wow. Beautiful. 1 minute sell stop NAS in the money. 1 minute sell stop NAS in the money. 5-minute buy stop NAS. 1 minute sell stop SPX in the money. 5-minute buy stop SPX. US 30, you're in so much money you can't stop it. You just can't help it. Oh my gosh, we're going to hit 200. 196. 196. NAS, 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop NAS. You can't really do anything about it. It's going to go back down and hit its blue line again. That's where she's going to right here. It's going to go down and hit that blue line again, just like it did yesterday. SPX is going to do the same thing. Look at your sells, printing money. The best one you have is right here. 190 pips all day long. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. 177 pips, 180 pips. Boy, oh boy, 200 pip trade today, live in front of all of you. Woo! Don't forget about the 5-minute buys, 1 minute sells NAS, 1 minute sell SPX. Woo! 1 hour sell SPX, 1 hour sell NAS. I'm not entering other trades. I'm so happy it's picking mud. Azar, what's up? US 30 Azar, what's up? Good morning, Tony. Thank you, God. Thank you, Evan. Azar, absolutely. Thank you. I love the Avance fan. You're about to be one. I can't find the TikTok. Oh, TikTok. Sorry. Right here. It is. The TikTok is the real safety trade, Kevin Grego. Yeah, Zero. He's live. That's an awesome. It's all good, Coach. I'm a mod on your YouTube. That's true, but I really want you over there on TikTok because you happen to be over there a lot. Congratulations, D-Man. Keith Palmer. Good morning, Keith Palmer. Keithy boy, we're making some money this morning. Oh, my gosh. Your scanner is amazing. The 2 out of 3 are the H&H Blue Line scanners. Freaking incredible. Just incredible. 1 minute sell stops, all 3 indices going down to their blue line. Watch. Here comes NAS. It's going to go down to its 1 minute blue line. Boom, NAS touched this blue line. Bingo, boppo, bango. Bingo, boppo, bango. There you go. There she blows. There she blows. Let's see what we're seeing here. Can we see it? Can we see these both change now? I don't know. Let's see. Yes, we will. Let's wait right here. There is it changed? Does it change? Does it change? Does it change? Why is NAS not changed? Why is NAS not changed? Come on, 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 come on. What's going on? Is it not below it? It should be below it. It's got to be below it. Look at this. Look at this shit. It's going to change next minute. Sorry. I don't want to wait a minute. Too hyper. Blue line touch. NAS. Blue line touch. US 30. 1 minute. All called out. All traded out. All done with you live. Look. See it? There you go. There she blows. 172 pips in the pip parade. Da 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 da. Here comes NAS into its 1 minute blue line. Here comes NAS going down to its 1 minute blue line. I mean SPX coming down to its 1 minute blue line. Da 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 da. Yep, still going down. Here comes US 30 to follow. It's going to keep going down. Here's NAS going down. The NAS is below its blue line. You'll see it switch hopefully right here on this timer, right in 2 seconds. You'll see that turn red right here. Da, 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 da. No, it did not. Really? Da, 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 da. There we go. There it did. 2 reds. Boom. SPX is next up on the chopping block. The most, well, it's an incredibly great scanner. There we go. Even more money. There is NAS in the money on your NAS to the blue line. Here comes SPX third to its blue line. Someone asked, what is the blue line? Touchdown, touchdown, touchdown. SPX to its blue line. The blue line is a magical, magnetic attractor of price. It sucks price to it, whether it's going up or whether it's going down. Bingo, boppo, bango. Bingo, boppo, bango. Gee, I wonder where it's going. Oh, it's going down to the NAS 4 hour as I wrote out. Oh, there we go again. There it is. There she blows. Told you where it was going. Wrote out where it was going. Unofficial 1 minute sell stops all hit their blue line. Love even more the 1 hour sell stop to the NAS 4 hour blue line. There's your NAS. There's your 4 hour blue line. There's your money. Here's your money on your options. Woohoo! There's your money on these demo options. I also have real options open at the same thing. This, the monies I just placed this morning. You're up $1,100 on these options. Bingo, boppo, bango. Bingo, boppo, bango. Bingo, boppo. There's NAS in the money on the 1 hour sell. Off the 1 hour, 4 hour. In the money on the 1 hour US 30. In the money on the NAS. In the money on the SPX. In the money on all 1 hours. All 1 hours, all day long, all 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I have to go check my other options two-fisted trading right now. Let's see how we're doing on my other options in my real account. Do. Really? Still not too much in the money. Nope, I'm holding. I'm going to wait for more money on those. Fuck you. What the hell? Oh, look at how much money. Don't give me no shit. I'm not in the money. Oh, ridiculous. Scam artist. Bullshit. Bull fucking shit. I'm getting robbed right now. Look at all that money. Oh, no. I want fucking, what is that, 10 of those? I want at least $500 out of that. I'm waiting. Nope. I'll wait. Patience is a virtue. Look at that. Look at that. Nas payday. Good morning, Keith. The man, the myth, and the legend. Look at the drop. Look at the drop. 200 pips. Ooh, I'm closing these down. Hold on. 209 pips. 205 pips. This is 204 pips called correctly on US 30 off the 400. Off the 4 hour. Look at it. This was called out live. This is traded live. 200 pips. Not the 14. That's been 3 weeks. It's been a month. 200 pips. I am so tempted to take that off of there. 200 pips on US 30. Name another time that traders come on live that trades with you and gets a 200 pip trade live. Name it. I'm waiting. Until then, buy the damn system. Buy the system. Learn how to trade for once in your lives consistently to be profitable. What you do is you buy the system. TheSafetyTrade.com. You go there, you buy it, $575 for the year. Then you get a type form that walks you through everything what to do. And then from the type form, you get set up so that we do a small group training class. This week was like 8 people in there. Some are like 50 and the highest was like 100 and something. But yeah, this week was only 8 people in the small group class. That's it. So you have a small group class Mondays at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I've been doing this for over a year and a half on TikTok, almost 2 years on TikTok. Come January, it'll be 2 years. I've been doing this for that long. I rarely miss any Monday trainings, ever, if ever, period. And then Monday afternoon, you get small group training classes for advanced. That's at 2:30. And that goes on for the rest of your life. In other words, you don't get video-based anything. I teach you personally. It's $575. And then if you want, you can get the Sniper, and I strongly recommend to get Sniper. The other scanner that Keith made is exceptionally good, but some people, whatever on that, so that's fine. 200 pip profit. Bob Wooten said, bought it 4 weeks ago, life changed. Thank you, Bob, for speaking up. If you can do that over on TikTok too, I'd appreciate it, Bob. Buy a system, and thank God, this is insane. Nice. Yeah, I got to do it. PK, you're kind of new, and I'm a little nervous, but here we go. Everyone that's in my thing is going to be knighted. You are now a moderator. We shall now call you Sir PK. Welcome to the Blue Club. Evidently, it's for everybody that follows. No, it's only people that have been here for a while and actually do something. All right. 60 people on TikTok, 107 on YouTube. Any questions on what to do? I went over this, explained this ad nauseum earlier with my brother. Here's your 1 hour, 4 hour. Matter of fact, I wonder if Mike's there. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Let's call my brother and see what he says. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. 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 Mike's son, I'm on my live, but I was just calling to see, did you possibly catch any of that with the options or no?
Yeah, I did. We got into money a little bit. I sold half. I'm keeping another half, letting them ride.
Okay.
Thank you for that call out, brother. As you know, I can't believe it. They're defying the 5 minute and 15 minutes, but they still have to do that thing, right?
They did, and that's how you can skip over. We hope they skip over the weekly sell for for Bitcoin and Ethereum and that and XRP, because they can skip over that, or it can come back and revisit that later. So all we did was take those 1 minute sells, right? 5 minute, 15 minute buys, never engaged. And then the 1 hours overrode, the 1 hour, 4 hours were overriding it. So yes, meaning you can still see this pullback and come back up and do its little thing inside the next candle, the 1 hour candle, but I just don't think so. I think you're in a nice little engagement right here, both on NAS, both on SPX, on US 30 SPX is about to. So that's all, and we don't care because now remember, all we cared about, Mike, was NAS going down to that blue line on the 4 hour, and if you look over here, right here, you can see clearly that NAS went down on its 4 hour and hit it again. So now that NAS hit its 4 hour and it went below it, see if you look on my screen, it went below it. So be careful now not to hold these trades too long or lock them in, because it did exactly what we want to do. Personally, I say it's going to keep going down. By the way, did you see how NAS went up and wicked up and touched its 4 hour? And you can see the same for SPX 4 hour. It touched it, but look at US 30. It was over it.
Right.
The red. So that's the difference between those trades. They all ended up good. They're all going down. They all would. It doesn't matter. But that's why that US 30 was just a better trade, because of the red, which holds true for the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, hour. You see what I'm saying? Daily, weekly, all of it. It's always better when it goes up and over. Always.
Always better before. In this case, for drops. Yeah. Thank you so much for the calls. That was beautiful. Okay. Yep.
Awesome. All right, Mike. All right, love you, bro. Talk to you later.
Okay. All right, love you too. Ciao.
Da 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 da. This place still. Okay. A little concerning. Hope he's okay. All right. That H&H scanner is just simple, easy money. Thank you, Kevin Bri. Thank you, Keith, for making it work on our thing. Thank you for everything you do, Keith. Keith is the mad genius behind everything that I do. This is going to drop. It's like it's hot. Yep, that was called out, Dyson Prod. Absolutely. Byron Harris, sir. PK, hooray. Thanks so much, Kev. Blessed life and the money. Sarson Black, flashing money. Jason L, nice PK. Yep, buy the system and thank God this is insane. I woke up, open your live link from the email, check the H&A scan, enter the cell. Boom. Nice, Keith. Congratulations, Keith. Azar. We need Azar too. How do I add these people? Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. All right. I think we're golden. Anybody new here? Anybody new here? Anyone on TikTok new? Anyone on YouTube new? Let's see if we can find you some more entries. Anyone new on TikTok or YouTube? They're going to arch up, do another sell here in a minute. It's going to arch up again over here on NAS. Yeah, we have to wait. There's not much we can do on those. How did gold do? Oh, gee. Remember when someone said gold is tanking? Gold is tanking. What did I call out for you? 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop. 15 minute, 30 minute buy stop gold. You're in the money on gold. You're in the money on US 30. You're in the money on NAS. You're in the money on SPX. You're in the money on, well, I have to see ERUSD. Look at it. Look at it. ERUSD, 1 minute sell, back to the blue. Yeah. 1 minute sell stop forming on ERUSD, 5 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute. 30 minute buy stop, 15 minute, 30 minute buy stop to the 1 hour blue line, ERUSD. Da 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 da. Yep. Thank you, Kev. Can't wait to buy the system. I've been back testing with your lives for almost 2 months now. I appreciate you so much. God bless your soul. Nice, CV. Yep. Do it all you want because it works unbelievably. So no new ones that want help. Excellent. I'm done then. Anyone on TikTok have any questions or concerns before I go? Azar, I want to make you a mod over there on TikTok, please, if that's okay. Matter of fact, I'm not sure if Botnator is. I got to have a whole bunch of you. Let me take a picture. No thanks, Kev. All right, Joe Bigga. All right. See you guys on TikTok, heading over to YouTube. Bye-bye. Buy the system, study it, and never regret it, says Byron. Absolutely. I agree with that statement 1,000%, obviously. See you on TikTok. See ya. YouTubers, ask me some questions on YouTube. Ask me some questions on YouTube, please. YouTubers, ask me some questions. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. You know what it is? I don't think I can add them as moderators unless I'm following them. Fudgicles. Da 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 da. Azar. How legends is made. All right, guys, any questions before I get going? Anything at all? Joe Bigga. Okay. Okay. Let me see. What do we got going on? Do you look at highs and lows, takeouts? Do I look at highs? No, we have a system of trading that has nothing to do with highs and lows. Nothing to do with that. You have to forget all that shit and forget it now. Jason Roby, back to training. I am learning more and more every day. I appreciate Kevin, all you do. I'm still trying to develop my eye for it, I guess. This is Jason Roby. Beautiful day today. Easiest day today. I hope you made some money. I'm sorry if you didn't, but I really, really hope you did. These buys and these sells were just give me money. Just give me money. These 1 hours, you have to stick with these higher time frames until you learn more of what you're doing. These 1 hour, 4 hours were called out yesterday. I mean, they're perfection. Mike's got a good morning, Precious. Thank you, Kevin. You're welcome, Jason. Blessed Life, buy the system. We'll never have to worry about highs. Thank you, Blessed Life. Correct. I did make money. Just need to see you better. Yes, great, Jason. That's all that matters. 221 pips and going. 2,200. 220 pips and going on a trade. Look at the Nadex ones. Yes, I know the Nadex ones are demo, but not. I have a real account going also. Doing same trades is what I do. Real here. $1,400 this morning on Nadex. Talking about taking the stuff out. Wow, look at it. 2,200 pips. We called the top of that trade perfection. Damn, boys. Jeez, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing better. Nothing better. I didn't understand. See, okay. So everyone's good on this. This is just incredible. It's all I can tell you. It's fucking incredible. 220 pips. All right, guys. Take care and God bless. Hope you have a good afternoon. Probably won't see you till later, if then. Take care. Talk to y'all later. Congratulations. Thank you all for being here. System rocks. Thanks to God. Yep, absolutely. Thank you all. Where's that button at? God bless you all. What a kick-ass fucking morning. Everybody on earth needs to buy this fucking